Recording also. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the webinar of 3 secret strategies how to become an automation tester. If you have just joined the webinar, please let me know from which location you have joined. Okay. And this is going to be an amazing journey where we will be discussing about the 3 secret strategies that will make you an automation tester. And trust me, only by using these 3 secrets, you can become an automation tester, nothing else. All the other methods that you see over the online, right? How to become an automation tester. There are hundreds of tutorials, hundreds of things are available. But trust me, this strategy which I am going to discuss, right, which is definitely will help you, which is already proven by before you to more than 2000 people. So whatever that you are going to learn in today's webinar, right, it is something which is already proven. And trust me, please make lot of notes, which is very, very important for you. And do let me know from which location you have joined, okay? Pranda is saying thank you for the webinar. Sai, I can see Sai also. Do let me know in the webinar. Let's connect with each other. I want to know from which location you have joined. I have joined from the New Delhi, by the way. My name is Pramod. I have 12 plus year experience and automation tester. I will be discussing about my story, how I was able to switch to an automation profile and how you can do it too. What are the duration that you need to take? What are the things that you need to do? And 3 secret strategies which will definitely help you, all of you, to become an automation tester, to get a 30 to 40% hike, to get a decent job, to save yourself from the recession right now, which is happening right now in this case. Okay, everyone is clear with this point, right? Rule number one before we start. Rule number one is for 30 to 40 minutes, do I have your permission to give some content? Yes, give me yes in the chat. Rule number one is I will be sharing some important concepts before we proceed. These 3 secret strategies. Okay. I hope everyone has given the permission, right? Second rule number is that you need to interact. The more you say yes or interact with me, the more you will learn, not me. You will learn. Is that fine? Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this. Good. Awesome. Rule number three is if you have any question, there is a Q&A session somewhere. Ask your questions. I will be answering all the questions. Okay. I know many of you will have questions. Pramod sir, I have a career gap. I'm into manual testing with 1 year experience. What should I do? I'm a fresher. What should I do? I am a known IT person. What should I do? Right. All these things you can ask on the Q&A session side by side. I will be answering all this case. Is this fine? Everyone is clear with this point? And please let us know from which location you have joined so that everyone knows from where you guys are joining. Good. Prem, Sachin, Shivani, I can see you. Shivani joined from Indore. Good. Gurgaon. Rishu is from good. New Zealand. Somebody is from New Zealand, guys. We have international audience also. Okay. Awesome. Great. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Awesome. All right. So I hope everyone is with me. All right. Let's get started. So this will be the agenda for the session. Guys, very important thing before we start, guys. Trust me, the value and the things that I'm going to discuss, right? You will not able to find all these techniques or tips and tricks which I'm discussing right now over the internet. Okay. And very important thing is that you have to make notes. Okay. All the links which I'm going to mention, I'm going to give you 5 important bonuses also. So make sure you stick to the end because I'm going to discuss about 5 important bonuses. But the important thing is that you need to make sure that you interact with me. I hope this is a fair bargain, right? Yes or no? How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat if it is a fair bargain. You just have to interact with me. The more you interact, we have a data and I will be emailing you because I already have your email. I will be emailing you all the bonuses and everything in this case. Okay. I hope everyone is clear with this point. Now we are going to discuss about our 3 secret strategies, how to become an automation tester. I hope everyone here wants to become an automation tester, right? Give me A in the chat if you are that person. Because when I have started in around 2011 or 10, right? I wanted to become an automation tester. Rule was very simple because I have some expectation. I had some kind of expectation. Okay. What type of expectation do you have? Okay. What type of expectation do you have? Let me know. Let me know. So let's do one quick exercise. Shall we do quick exercise? Pooja is saying, sir, good salary. I want to become an automation tester. Sir, salary, creating a framework. Okay. Good salary as to become an SDET. Good, good, good. Okay. Let's do this exercise. Okay. All of you can see the link which I have mentioned, right? All of you have seen this thing. Quickly fill that form. Okay. Quickly fill that form. You will find the answers. Okay. I hope everyone can see the screen also, right? Yes. Everyone can see the screen. Let me see. If you're done, give me D in the chat. Okay. Let's do something important. Okay. Why you want to become an automation tester and expectation from the webinar. What is your expectation in the webinar? Okay. Sir, better opportunity. Why you want to become an automation tester? For better opportunity, for better understanding. Okay. What else? If you're done, give me D in the chat. What else? What else, guys? What else? So this is your responses which are coming. Okay. Career growth. Okay. What else? Better opportunities, career growth. What else? What else, guys? Better package, proper guidance. Okay. Expectation from webinar also, which we are also checking. Guys, please write your answer. Don't copy paste the answer. Write your own answer. Why you want to become an automation tester? Very, very important question. Okay. This is very, very important. Sir, career growth, high stability, better salary, more demanding, growth salary. Okay, good. Good life, job change. Okay, somebody wants to change the job. That is an important thing. Good salary. Okay, what else? What is your expectation? Okay, let me check the expectation. Sir, guidance, how to become an automation tester, roadmap to become an automation tester, career growth, need automation. It is very difficult to do surveys. Okay, guide for automation to change my job. Okay, learning automation. Keep filling this, guys. Keep filling this. Good, good. Guidance. Most of you wants guidance, right? Expectation is guidance you need. Okay, good. Good salary, better pay. Okay, good. I think I have your answer. Okay, keep filling this. Okay, so now let me discuss about the agenda. Okay, now get back to this. Okay, everyone can see the screen also, right? Give me S in the chat if you can see the screen. And guys, if you have just joined, please let us know from which location you have joined. If you have just joined, please let us know from which location you have joined. I'm joining from Delhi. This is your host, Pramod, with 12 years experience. We are going to discuss about the 3 secret strategy to become an automation tester. This is the agenda that we are going to follow. Okay. I can see Jamal, Suraj, Ashish, Ninu, Padam, Agam. Good, good, good. Rohini, Siddiqui, Kirtina. Good, good, good. Awesome. Agenda will be why you should become an automation tester. What is the difference between manual and automation? Roadmap to become an automation tester. What are the strategies, myths about the automation and everything? Okay. Before we do that, before we start, guys, before we start, shall we do one more exercise? How many of you are ready? Then you have to give me a keyword known as R. R is for ready, guys. If that's clear, is this clear? Give me R in the chat, everyone. Be interactive with me because very, very important. Okay, this is very, very important. Prashant, good, good. Sushil, Diva, I can see your R's, right? The person who's not interacting, right? Guys, trust me, you will lag behind. Okay, don't do that. Just make sure that you are interacting. Okay, this is gonna be an amazing thing. Trust me, the secrets which I'm going to discuss, right? They will change your life. Okay. Good, 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 good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right. So what exactly do you see when you see the picture? Let me check how many of you are actually software tester. Okay. This is an exercise which we want to do it. Let me know. Let me know is what exactly do you see when you are able to see this picture? What is the first thing that you see? Okay, Satya has given the answer. Minakshi, Sahana, Rahul has given the answer. Good. Bhavran, Mayuni, Ritvik, good. Megha, Dharshvi, Manas. Okay, good, good, good. If you have not given, quickly do the answer. Will take more seconds. Okay, sir. Sir, it is duck or rabbit. Okay. What else? What else? Thanks a lot, Kirtana. Deepika also, right? Deepika has also given the answer. Good, 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 good. What else, guys? What else? Okay, I hope everyone is done. Right? Who is not done? Give me N in the chat. Pramod sir, I still remaining. I am just giving the answer. Okay. Okay, couple of people are giving. Okay. I hope everyone is done, right? Rabbit. Ashwin, your rabbit spelling is wrong. Crocodile? Who sees crocodile? There is someone who sees crocodile also. Okay. Let me give you the answer. Okay. How many of you want the answer? I hope everyone wants the answer, right? Give me yes in the chat. Sir, rabbit with 2 eyes. Huh? I can see only 1 eye. The answer is it is rabbit, duck, and the grass. How many of you are right in this case? Give me yes in the chat. How many of you are right? Grass. Many of you miss the grass. Yes or no, guys? Grass is also there or not? As a software tester, you should have a good observation. Yes or no? This is what, sir, I miss the grass. No worries. But again, good observation is important as a software tester, right? Yes or no? So what exactly did we learn? If you want to become an automation tester, if you want to learn anything at all, guys, you have to have something called as clarity. Yes or no, guys? In your life, you should have that word. Type the word, which what exactly you should have. Guys, type that word. Clarity in your mind. The moment you have clarity, you can learn or achieve anything in your life. Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? Clarity in the thoughts. Okay, Pramod sir, I want to become an automation tester. What is the strategy I have to follow? What is the things I have to follow? Which one we have to follow? How much time it will take? What is the salary? This is the clarity you need, right? Yes or no? Ravi Raj is saying, sir, where is duck? Okay. Duck is when you just rotate, right? It looks like a duck, isn't it? Okay. So clarity. So before we move, right, there is one thing which I want all of you to pay attention. No, Satya. The chat will be always limited to host and panelist. Okay. You will not able to see other chats because it is, else you will get distracted. Guys, I hope this is fine, right? Give me yes in the chat. Other chats you will get distracted, right? Because I have seen it many times. People get distracted. They don't interact with me. They just talk to each other. Okay. So let's not do it. That should be fine. This is between you and me. Okay. That's it. And so that you also don't feel shy. Dhanraj is saying, sir, if you don't see my message, don't speak my name. Okay, Dhanraj. I can see all the message, guys. Sayyed, Shirijit, Pratap. Okay. I can see all the message. Okay. What is this circle of competence? Okay. Pay attention. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention. This is a very important message. Okay. Pay attention, please. Pay attention. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention. Okay. This is called as the circle of competence. What do you mean by this? Okay. This is the smaller circle. This is the part that you know, that what you know. Okay. Suppose this is you. This is you. This is a happy guy. I hope everyone can see my drawing, right? Give me yes in the chat. This is you. This is what you know, the smaller part. Okay. But the outer part is something which what you think you know, but you don't know. Okay. Yes or no? This is exactly which is what you think you know, but you don't know. Let me give you a simple example. Okay. Let me give you a simple example in this case. Okay. Which is what you know is, for example, all of you know that, okay, I have done a bachelor degree or probably I can become an automation tester. But you think that, okay, yes, there are videos available on the internet. Okay, Pramod sir, we can find some certain courses. We can find something, and that's it. And that we can basically, and that's how we can become an automation tester. Still, you are not able to become an automation tester. Yes or no? Because there is something that you guys are missing, isn't it? If you agree with me point, give me A in the chat. If you agree with this point, there is something which is missing, still missing. Which one? What you think you know, but you don't know. This is where this Pramod will help you. Clear? Everyone is clear with this point? Okay. Jay, please don't spam, as you will be kicked out in three more seconds. Next time you type, you will be kicked out. Okay, Jay. Okay. All of you agree with this point? Yes. Yes or no? So what you think you know, but you don't know. This is where Pramod will be helping you, because I know all of you will have these questions. Okay. How many of you are ready? How many of you are ready? All of you have these questions. Pramod sir, what is the topic I need to follow? If this question you have, give me one in the chat. Give me one in the chat. What is a topic I have to follow to become an automation tester? What is a roadmap I have to follow? Give me two in the chat. What is a salary I can get after becoming an automation tester? Give me three in the chat if you add that person. How much time it will take to become an automation tester? Pramod sir, please let us know. Is coding required to become an automation tester? Give me five in the chat. And the red one, which I also was afraid of, which is I have a coding fear, Pramod sir. Can I do it or not? If you have that one question, give me six in the chat. And what to do after learning the APIs and all. Not only that, I know all of you have this question. Is learning important in case of API automation? As a fresher, can I become an automation tester or not? I am from non-IT, can I do it or not? Or after doing X years in manual testing, Can I become an automation tester or not? All of you, all of you have this question in your mind. Give me A in the chat if any of this question falls into your category. Give me yes in the chat. Now you know. Now you think you know, but you don't know, and this is where the Pramod will be helping you guys. Clear? I hope now this webinar will be helpful. All the people that you have given to me, yes or no? Guidance, roadmap, everything. This is where what we are going to discuss. I hope all of your expectation will be clear after this webinar. So how many of you are excited? Give me E in the chat. Is it yes? Because guys, let me tell you, when I have started in 2010 or 11, right? When I was a manual tester, right? I had all the doubts. When I started to become, I wanted to become an automation tester, but there was no clear roadmap. There was no clear indication how to do it. As a fresher, how to do it, which project I have to do, what is the roadmap I have to follow, do I have to learn CI/CD or not? I have a career gap. What should I do? Right? I am from a non-IT background. I am from electronics and communication background. How I was able to do it, right? All these things are going to discuss in this case, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Adnan, Adnan, chill out, chill out. Yes, give me yes in the chat, guys. Be interactive. Good, 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 good. Okay. Awesome, awesome. Clear. So I hope now your expectations are little high. Yes, agree with this point. Okay. Still there are key questions which are remaining, definitely we will take the questions. Okay. So another rule, guys, after 30 to 40 minutes, okay, just after 30 to 40 minutes, let me deliver all the content. After that, we will have audio questions. Is that fine? Is that fine? I hope everyone is fine with me. Give me F in the chat if it is fine. We will have a audio conversation. You will have audio conversation and audio doubt with me. Fair enough? You can ask any question which you like to ask. Okay. Is that fine? Good. Everyone is excited. How many of you are excited for the 3 secrets, which are the only way to become an automation tester? Yes or no? This is the topic, right? Yes or no? Okay. So before we start, guys, so this is what I want all of you to do it. Okay. As a manual tester, as a fresher, or from non-IT, I want to see all of you into the automation. Is this clear? Is this clear, guys? Give me yes in the chat. So let's do one quick poll. Let's do one quick poll. Okay. Do let me know. Are you a fresher? Okay. Now you will see a poll. Are you a fresher who wants to become an automation tester? Are you a manual tester who wants to become an automation tester? Are you a non-IT person who wants to become an automation tester? Or if you have a career gap, you want to become an automation tester, do let me know in the poll. Is this clear? And when you are done, give me D in the chat. Pramod sir, I am done with this. Note in the chat, give me a poll. You have to give me the answer. Okay. Done. Good, good, good. Kaustubh is done. Amani is done. Snower is done. Good. Pramila is done. Shrijit is done. Vinay, Rahul, Pawan. Good, 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 good. Guys, what else? There are more than 200 people who are waiting. Guys, 5 more seconds. For experienced manual tester, you can add manual tester only. Kavya, yes. Apurva, Aditya, good. Rishi, Ritesh, good, 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 good. Dudam. Dudam is very different name, no? Bhagyashri, done, done, done. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. So I think so. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, done. Fresher with non-IT background. Okay, that is also fresher. You can count yourself as a fresher only. Okay, good, good, good. I hope everyone is done with the poll, right? So let me stop the poll. All right. So now question is, Pramod sir, who is an automation tester, guys? Who is an automation tester? Do let me know. How many of you know who is an automation tester? Give me A in the chat. Pramod sir, I know who is an automation tester. If you don't know, give me no in the chat. Let me check, because there are people who don't know what is an automation tester, right? Yes or no? Okay, there are many no's right now. It means a couple of people don't know what is an automation tester, right? Who is an automation tester? Okay, let me ask you in a very simple way. Okay, let me ask you in a very simple question. Very simple question. Okay. Now you guys tell me, suppose I will give you a website. Okay. How many of you are ready? Parmos sir is an automation tester. Okay. Shubham is saying. Very funny, Shubham. Okay. Bhargav is saying, okay. Guys, how many of you are ready? Give me R in the chat. Give me R in the chat. How many of you are ready? One problem statement which is coming. Second problem statement which is coming to you. Okay. Guys, tell me, if I enter a username admin and I enter a admin, this is a manual testing which I am doing right now. Okay. This is a manual testing which I am doing. Okay. Now pay attention. My QA lead. I hope everyone can see the iPad also, right? This is my QA lead. Okay, he is my QA lead. He has given me this task. Pramod, you have to test for 10 username and password. Okay. For 10 username and password, what you need to do is you have to pick the admin, you have to pick the password and click on sign in button. Okay. And you have to see if the username and password is working. Okay. This is what you need to test. Now, guys, tell me for 10 users, how much time it will take? Tell me how much time in minutes it will take. Any guess, any random guess. Manually, I'm testing. Kunal is saying 30 minutes. Okay. Somebody is saying 30 minutes. Okay. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 26 minutes. How 26 comes in? Okay, 30 minutes. Let's say average, let's say 15 minutes. Is this clear? 15 minutes is fine. Let's all agree with this point. Give me A in the chat. Approximately 15 minutes. Right? 15 minutes approximately. Let's agree with that. Okay. Now, suppose if I give you 100 username and password, guys, then it will be like, for example, Pramod now it will take like 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay. Let's take 2.5 hours, something like that. 2.5 hours, I will take 100 users, I will test it. Is this clear? Everyone is able to understand? Now, guys, tell me. My QA lead is telling me test for 10,000 username and password in 3 hours. Now tell me, can I do it or not? I will be like sad. Yes or no? What the hell you are doing? Fire your QA lead, okay? Impossible to do it, right? What we will do? What we will do? Guys, what we will do? We will write some code, yes or no? So this is the application that we had. This is the application that you have seen, right? We will write some code. Some code we will write, right? Yes or no? Some code we will write. This is the code. Let's suppose in Java, I will write the code. And this code will execute this within the 2 hours. Okay. This is what an automation tester do. I hope now everyone is able to understand what exactly automation tester do. Yes or no? Give me yes in the chat. I hope practical example I have given to you. Now your practically automation tester can do this, right? Agree with this point? Now you guys tell me. Now you guys tell me if we talk about the years, this is a year 2020 and this is 2024. Okay, this is 2023. Okay, this is the manual testing jobs. These are the manual testing jobs. Now guys, tell me, when we have 100 test cases, 100 test cases can be done by one manual tester, right? When more number of test cases we are going to add, when company will increase, more number of test cases they will add. Agree with this point? Give me A in the chat. Agree with this point? They will add more number of test cases. So now tell me, they will hire more number of manual testers or automation testers. An automation tester can automate like 5,000 test cases easily. Which one they will hire? Automation tester automatically, yes or no? They can't hire manual testers in a long run, yes or no? After 4 5 manual tester is fine. We can't hire like 50 plus manual testers, 100 plus manual testers, right? Doesn't make sense, right? It means all of you, all the manual tester, this is a question to you. Nowadays, after 2020, don't you see the manual testing jobs are going down? How many of you agree with this point? Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. Manual testing jobs are promoter going down. And guys, by the way, if you don't know, I have a YouTube channel with the Testing Academy, and I'm continuously saying this thing. And automation jobs are continuously increasing after around 2021. Around 2021. Agree with this point? Pujashri, yes. Agree with this point? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Automation tester jobs will be increasing? Yes or no? So what exactly did we learn till now? What exactly did we learn till now? Okay, till now, Varmo sir, we are able to understand few things. First of all, we need clarity in our life. Yes, automation tester is someone who will write the code to automate the stuff, right? This is what exactly it is. And companies are basically hiring for the automation tester automation tester more. Is this clear? Yes or no? Automation is needed. Maximum places are hiring automation only. Mayur is saying, sir. Mayur is saying, sir, nowadays everyone is hiring for, maximum companies nowadays are hiring for automation profile, right? Even though they want manual tester, they are hiring. Okay. So I was just discussing, guys, just to let you know, I have 12 plus years experience. I also connect with the HRs, right? Maximum HRs are saying to me that, Pramod, why should we hire manual testers nowadays? Because we already are getting an automation tester directly who can automate and can do manual testing on. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Clear? Subhashita, everything is clear. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. So it means manual tester is something who basically develop whatever the developer has written the code, he tests that. Whereas an automation tester, whatever the developer create an application, he write a code which will test the application, right? Everyone is clear till now. So what exactly they do? They do coding, they troubleshoot, they design the test case, bug reporting and everything. These all skills generally an automation tester do. Okay. Clear? Everyone is with me? Yes or no? But the question is why you should become an automation tester. Guys, what is your reason? Why you should become an automation tester? What is your why? Let me tell you about my why. Okay. How many of you want to hear my story? Guys, 1 minute I will take. If you are agree with me, if you agree with me, 2 minutes I will take. Give me yes in the chat if all of you want to hear my story. Okay. What was my why? Okay. So let me tell you very important. Okay. So 2010ish around this. Okay. I was doing, I first of all didn't get any job. I was in Bangalore, by the way. I was just searching for the jobs, got rejected in multiple companies. Okay. Then I got a job as a, then I got a job as a manual tester. Okay. As a manual tester, I got a job. Okay. So okay, after struggle of almost, I think 7, 8 months, 7, 8 months, I was just struggling and I got a job. Okay. I got a job in Accenture. Anyone here in Accenture? Anyone here in Accenture? Yes. Okay. As a manual tester. Okay. I got a job. But you know what was my salary package? Dream company. What was my salary package? It was 2.96 LPA. Do you think it's a decent salary, guys? Do you think it's a decent salary? I'm discussing in INR. No, no, no. Shanti is saying no. Achal is saying no. Sagar is saying no. Abhishek is saying no, no, no. It's not a decent salary, right? I was not happy, to be honest. Okay. It was not decent salary because in Bangalore, right? Even Bangalore, right now, even if you see, right, 10,000 rupees only you will give for one room rent. Yes or no? Which is the worst one I am talking about. And I was getting around, I think I remember 21 or something I was getting. Okay. It was very bad salary. But one of my friend who was in my same batch as a automation tester, as a fresher, he got 5.5 LPA. Which one do you think, guys? As a fresher, do you think this is a decent salary? Yes or no? In a product based company, do you think it's a decent salary, right? Yes or no? It's okay, but decent salary, right? In one of the product based company. Okay. And this is where it hit me. So my reason to become an automation tester was that I wanted to have more salary. Okay. This was my reason. What do you think, guys? What do you think? What is your reason? What is your why? Now tell me in the chat. I will read for you. Is it the same? Ritesh is saying, sir, it is same. What else? Anyone else with the same or anyone else? Job security, good. Yes, job security is also there in case of job security. Yes. SDET profile, sir, I want. Okay. This is also a reason. Sir, manual testing is boring. Absolutely right. Sir, manual testing is boring. That is also one of my reason also. What else? What else? Change the company. Okay. Change the company and I want to become an automation tester. What is your reason? Automation jobs are high, sir. Okay, good. No more manual testing jobs. Okay. No more manual testing jobs. So somebody saying. Sir, pay is terrible for the manual testers. Okay. Good. Okay. What else? What is your reason, guys? What is it? Upgradation of skills. Okay. Who's this? RT saying. So no skill in manual testing. So that's why they'll want to learn automation. Okay. So now everyone is have their own why, right? Yes or no? Sir, future is automation. Okay. Okay. So now all of you have your why ready. Yes or no? Now you guys are ready for the three secret strategy. Is this clear? Now, the moment you have why in your mind, the moment you have why in your mind, now you guys are ready for the three secret strategy. Is this clear? Is this clear? I hope session is going good. It is interactive. Are you learning or not? Tell me. Are you learning or not? Because now learning will start. Good. It is going good. Yes or no? Gur. What is gur? Sir, what? Difference between automation tester or tester. Okay. Hard work to smart work. Agam is saying, sir. Okay, good. That is also a good reason to switch to an automation profile. Okay, awesome. So now let's discuss about the strategy, shall we? So if you see jobs in the market, right, you can find the automation jobs in LinkedIn. There are many, many jobs. What you think as is what? Okay, now let's do one exercise. Shall we do an exercise? Can we guess a fresher salary? A good, shall we do? Give me R in the chat, guys. Now it's time for us to be serious. Okay. As a fresher, what do you think if I join a good product based company in Bangalore? What will be my salary? Guys, tell me. What will be my salary? 3.6, 7, 5, 8, 9, 10, 3.5. Good product based company. Okay. The answer is, if you see, 6.42, which is a good product based company. So rule number one. What is the rule number one? Rule number one is target for good product based company. Yes or no? Target for good product company, which will give you more than 6 LPA. This should be our target. If you are a fresher, guys, do you think it's a decent salary? Give me F in the chat if you are a fresher. If you're a fresher, give me F in the chat. Do you think it's a decent salary? Do you think it's a decent salary? Yes or no? Give me yes or no. Only freshers. Yes. Target good product based company. Okay, but question is, Pramod sir, how? How do we find it? How do we find it, right? How many of you have this question? Give me yes. How do we find it? Can I solve your problem? Give me I in the chat. Yes, Pramod sir, please solve this problem. Can I give you my list? How many of you want my list? Guys, so I have created a good product-based company list. Good product-based company list. Okay. Throughout these years, last 3 years or 2 years, I was just searching for important companies. Okay. I was searching for good, important product-based companies because I have also switched like 4 or 5 jobs, right? Yes or no? So these are the good 115 companies that I was able to find nearby. All of them are good product-based company. Not only that, 40 plus remote companies which are also hiring. How many of you wanted? Give me I in the chat. If you want these documents, I will be sharing with you this document. And this list is continuously upgraded. Okay, I continuously add more and more details. This is a updated list. Give me I in the chat, guys. The more you interact, it will be automatically given to you. Okay. If you have given I in the chat, you will automatically get this list. Okay. Bonus number one. How is the bonus number one? Is it going good? I hope your time is not getting wasted, right? Yes or no? I hope your time is getting utilized. What is the till now? Yes or no, guys? Till now, we have not started the three secrets, by the way. Okay. Preeti is saying, sir, speed up. Do we have to speed up? Very interactive question. Do we have to speed up, guys? No, because we have to change our mindset to become an automation tester. Right? Yes or no? Sir, we are getting more information. Sir, go with the flow. Okay, good. Thank you. It should be normal, right? Everything is normal, right? Yes. Everyone is with me? Give me yes in the chat. Okay, good. So problem number one is also sorted, sir. So we have to target good product-based company, and how to find is by using this good product-based list companies. Okay, this is what the thing is. Okay, now if you see, guys, I was working in a very good product-based company. Anyone knows about the browser stack? Anyone knows about the browser stack? Yes or no? How many of you know about browser stack? I was the QA lead. Okay. If you don't know, no worries. Browser stack was a unicorn. Okay. It was a unicorn in 2022. Okay. It is a unicorn. Unicorn basically means 1,000 crore rupees company. Yes or no? Unicorn basically means a company which has more than 1,000 crore as a evaluation. Okay. After Zerodha, you know, right? How many of you know Zerodha? Stock market Zerodha. After Zerodha, Browser Stack was the second company from India who crossed, I think it is 8,000 crore, right? I think, yes, it is 8,000. The remainder is right, yes. Okay. So I was the QA lead there. And you know what is the salary as a fresher you can get? You know, what is the salary as a fresher you want to get? Anyone wants to guess? Give me yes or no. 8 LPA, Deepak is saying, okay. What is? Course 11, 10, 11. Somebody is close. Someone is very close. The salary is almost 11 lakhs as a fresher. What do you think, guys? As an automation tester, if you join? Yes or no? Do you think it's a decent one? Do you think it's a decent salary, right? Yes or no? So we have to target for good way. Okay, by the way, this is a public data you can find on the glassdoor.com. If you want to find, you can find this data. If we talk about USA and UK, I think it is good. As an automation tester, as an SDET, you can get almost like 90K dollar whenever you start with. This is the average salary to start with. If you're from USA, UK, you can convert this into this. Okay. And by the way, BrowserStack was my dream company also. Okay. So I hope everyone is ready. So you should learn or become an automation tester. If you are a manual tester who wants to become an automation tester, all the manual tester, give me M in the chat. If you are that person, give me yes in the chat. If you are a fresher, DevOps, or any other ones, you want directly jump into the automation to get a high salary, give me F in the chat. F in the chat if you are that person. As a non-IT person, you want to jump into the software testing, give me N in the chat if you are that person. Good. So now we are going to discuss about the strategy. So let me tell you about myself. Hi guys, my name is Pramod. I have 12 plus years of experience as a software tester. I have done software testing, web automation, API automation, you name it, I have done it. Okay. I have taught more than 15K students, 700,000 students in my Facebook, and I run a YouTube channel known as the Testing Academy. Anyone knows about my YouTube channel? Anyone knows that? Yes or no? Anyone here who's a subscriber? Yes, good, good, good. Okay, couple of people are there, guys. So whatever that I am going to discuss in the three secrets, right? Guys, just to let you know, we have completed 147K subscribers now. And I have created almost like 813 videos. So whatever that now I'm going to discuss, I am discussing with the validity. Whatever the words I am discussing, I am saying because I have also done it. Is it clear? Yes or no? Sir, please don't market. It is a good platform to market, no? Kaushal, yes or no? Okay, good. Thanks, all of my loyal subscriber. Thank you for that. Okay. So whatever you are going to learn now, from now on, right? This is important. Okay. So disclaimer, all of you will become manual to automation, but there is a disclaimer. Okay. How many of you are ready? Give me yes in the chat. Before now, I will discuss about the three secrets. How many of you are ready? Okay, but there is one disclaimer. Are you ready for the disclaimer? Give me R in the chat. If you hate coding, if you hate avoiding practice, or if you don't like to work on the project, okay, fear of coding is different. This is case number one. Hate coding is different. Okay. If you have a fear of coding can be removed. Okay. Fear of coding can be removed. But if you hate coding, guys, you can disconnect this webinar right now. Disconnect the webinar right now if you hate it. If you have a fear, just type F in the chat. Promote, sir, fear I can remove. Fear I can remove. I can help you to remove. But if you hate coding, Promote, sir, I hate coding. I have never touched it. I will never touch in my life. I hate coding. Please disconnect the webinar. Nobody can help you to become an automation tester. Clear? If you have a fear of coding, that is where now I will explain you how you can remove the coding fear and you can too become an automation tester. Guys, just to let you know, when I was from a non-IT background, electronics and communication. Anyone here from electronics and communication background? I have never touched Java in my life. Second, when I have joined Accenture, right, I have never touched the Java. Okay, never touched the Java, right? Right now, I have 30 plus people I am handling as an automation tester. Okay, I have created multiple frameworks right now. And so whatever you are learning now is very important. And this is already proven, and you are learning from a person who has done it. Is this clear? Now, can we start our secret number one, secret number two, and secret number three? Do I have your permission? Give me yes in the chat. If everyone agree with this point, let's get started with this. Okay. Let's get started with this. Awesome. So secret number one, shall we? Shall I discuss with you? Yes or no? Secret number one, shall I discuss with you? Yes. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. But before we start, right, I have something important for you. Okay, all the people who have this problem, coding problem. How many of you have this problem? Pramod sir, I have this problem. I have a coding fear. Can I do it or not? Give me I in the chat. Pramod sir, I have this issue. Okay, I have this problem. Okay, good. All of you, maximum people have this problem. Okay, okay. Now I'll let you know. Okay. So coding fear, right, Pramod sir? But the question is, how do we remove the coding fear? Okay. How do we remove this coding fear, right? Which is important that we want to know. Okay. And we also want to know about this secret number one, secret number two, and secret number three. Is this clear? Everyone clear at this point? Yes? Cool. So coding fear, right? Let me tell you very important thing. Okay, coding fear, how I have removed my coding fear. Okay. Let me tell you a very simple story. Okay. Do you want to hear a story? Give me S in the chat if you want to hear a story. Okay, very simple story. Okay. So I wanted to learn swimming, guys. I wanted to learn swimming. Okay. How many of you know swimming? Anyone? I love swimming, by the way. Okay. I love swimming. Anyone? Yes or no? Swimming sessions are now coming, right? It is hot right now. Okay. Many people don't know. Okay. Many people know. Couple of people know. I love swimming. Pallavi is saying, okay, good, good, good. Raju is saying, sir, I love it. I can't. Okay. I wanted to learn swimming. How many of you want to learn swimming? Pramod sir, I want to learn swimming. Give me yes in the chat. Yes. You wanted line. I wanted to also learn swimming. Okay. Right. So if you want to learn swimming, can you watch YouTube videos and can you learn? So I was watching lot of YouTube videos. Okay. Then my friend told me, okay. Then my friend told me, okay, you will not able to get success. Okay. That is not possible. Do you think I will get success if I watch lot of YouTube videos of swimming? How many of you think that? No, 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 no. Right? Not possible. So my friend suggested, okay, let's do one thing. You join a swimming academy. Okay. So nearby only, here nearby, I joined one academy. Okay. But I had a fear of coding. 7 feet pool. I was very, very scared. Guys, 7 feet pool is so deep. Yes or no? It was so deep. I had a fear for this. I had a fear for this. Okay. I said, okay, it is not possible. So there was a mentor. There was a mentor in that one. Okay. This mentor told me, okay, let's do one thing. Let's do one thing. You will go to 3 feet pool first. 3 full kids pool for 30 days. Okay. And I said, okay, fine. I said, I am already, okay, let's 3 feet pool for 30 days, right? I was enjoying. I was just doing everything. I was doing backflip. It was comfortable because I don't have to go to 7 feet pool. Okay. It was so amazing and I enjoyed it very, very well. After 30 days, this person told me, okay, let's do one thing. Your height is already 5'8", right? So you can now move to 5 feet pool. Okay. I said, fine, I will do it. Okay. This was not a kids pool. It was normal adult pool. Okay. 5 feet pool. He told me, okay, for next 30 days, you can now go to this pool. I said, okay, fine. So when I basically jumped to 5 feet pool, I said, I am already 5'8". Nothing will happen. Mentor is already there. Let me do it. And I was doing practice. And I was very comfortable in that. Okay. After 30 days, he told me, okay, let's do one thing. You go to 7 feet pool for 15 minutes, then you can come back. You can come back to 5 feet pool. Okay. Do it for next 15 days. And I did this for 15 minutes. I was in 7 feet pool, come back to 5 feet pool. Then after 15 days, almost, I was comfortable. And I was very much now I am very much comfortable in 7 feet pool. What exactly did you learn from this story? What is your learning, guys, from this story? Tell me why I am telling you this story. Tell me. Practice. Okay. Practice is important. Okay. What else? Sorry. Step by step learning. Okay. What else? Start small. Okay. Yes. Start small. Reduce fear. Okay. Good. Now I'll tell you what is the important thing. All of you are right. But if you want to learn or remove the fear, you have to jump into it. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? How many of you agree with this one? Give me yes in the chat. That's exactly my friend told me when I had a coding fear. He told me that what you need to do is you need to jump into it and see. Okay. So secret number one, why you guys are not able to become an automation tester. Secret number one is coming. How many of you are ready? Give me S1 in the chat. Secret number one is coming to you guys. Secret number one is coming to you. Secret number one. You, all of you should have a clarity on what are the topics and roadmap we need to follow to remove the coding fear and to become an automation tester. Yes or no? So let me share with you. Okay. Let me share with you. Okay, guys. So let me open the roadmap. Okay. So let me show you the roadmap. Okay. So to become an automation tester is only 3-step process. Only 3 steps. How many steps? Guys, how many step process? Give me in the chat 3-step process. Step number one, learn about a programming language. For example, Java. Okay. Learn about a programming language, Java. Second thing is learn about a second topic, which is API testing. Third thing, learn about Selenium. That's it. 3 core things you need to pay more attention into this. Okay. Let me give you in a proper way. Let me give you in a proper way. So this is the important roadmap that you need to follow for next 4 months. But there is a disclaimer. How many of you want to hear the disclaimer? Give me I in the chat. How many of you want to hear the disclaimer? Guys, disclaimer is if this only works if you can give 1 hour 1 hour per day to become an automation tester to get a higher salary. Can you do it or not? Give me I in the chat. Yes sir, I can do it. I am serious. I think I can do it. To get a high salary, to get a decent job, to get 30 to 40% hike after as a manual tester, to secure your job, can you do this? Guys, can you do this or not? Tell me. Give me yes, I can do it, sir. I can do it. It is possible. So if you give 1 hour per day, 7 to 8 days, you can complete the manual testing refresher. If you are a manual tester, guys, can we complete the manual testing topics in 10 days if we give 1 hour per day? Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? Let me discuss. Can we do that? Yes or no? Manual testing, important concepts. So these are the topics. Let me give you the sheet. Okay. So guys, just to let you know, I have done this exercise with other people. Before you, there are more than 2000 plus students have already done this. So I have noted down all the important manual testing concepts that you should know. And day by day, you can mark the date and you can say done or not. Okay. You can track your progress. The moment you track, even you can track your job for core Java. Okay. We will track for Java also. You will track for Postman also. You will track for Maven also. You will track with Selenium also. The moment you track this for 10 days, if you give 1 hour per day, you will learn manual testing. If for next 30 days, you will learn coding, it will cover the Java. Next 30 days, API testing you should be covering. Next 30 to 40 days, you will be covering web automation, right? Next 10 days, you will be covering CI/CD. So overall 40 days, if you give 1 hour per day, after 4 months, you can become an automation tester. Is this clear? How many of you are getting the clarity now? So now I hope this roadmap is basically giving you a clarity. Yes or no? How many of you are getting the clarity? So roadmap, so it takes around 4 months to become an automation tester. Okay. This is a proven method. More than 2000 people have already tested this. So whatever you are getting, guys, you can take a screenshot also, please, if you want. By the way, if you say yes right now, just say yes in the chat. I will share in your email. This is bonus number 2. Okay. This is bonus number 2. Guys, tell me in the chat, is it possible? Yes or no? This is the exactly the roadmap which is well maintained. What you need to do is you just need to follow the topic sheet. What are the different topic sheet that you can do? And you can follow the important programs. But Pramod sir, I have a coding fear. How do we learn Java? Okay, to learn Java, what if I give you Java notes? Guys, tell me, what if I give you Java notes, which we have created, where I have assumed that you have zero knowledge in the Java you can start with. Okay, so let me share a 30-day plan. Okay. Let me share a 30-day plan to learn Java. Okay. So when I had a zero knowledge in Java now, guys, please pay attention. When I had zero knowledge in Java, this is the exactly the strategy I have used. Okay. The only thing is you need to give 1 hour per day or 4 to 5 hours per week. Is this clear? Give me clear in the chat if you are clear with this point. Only 3 important things you need to learn. See, Java is this big. You don't have to learn everything to become an automation tester. You only need this much of Java. Is this clear? Is this clear? Give me clear in the chat. Clear with this point? You have to focus on only 3 things: core Java, oops concept, and collection framework. That's it. And couple of multi-threading IO and design patterns. The moment you follow this, plus how do you follow this, Pramod sir? But where we should learn? You will learn by following these notes. By following these notes. Step by step. And you will mark everything into date wise. Can you do it? Is it possible to do it? How many of you can do it? Give me I in the chat. Pramod sir, I in the chat. Yes, I think I can do it to become an automation. So next 4 months, day by day, read from the notes. Topics wise, you can complete. Topics wise, you can complete and see the roadmap that you need to do. This is the 30-day plan that we are going to discuss. But there is a problem, Pramod sir. What about the coding questions? What if I will solve your problem of coding question? Guys, I have taken more than 400 plus interviews as an automation tester, and I have seen hundreds of interviews people have taken. I have curated 150 plus important interview question. Those will help you to become an automation tester. What if all day by day, one by one, you do a practice of all the questions? For example, right angle triangle, palindrome, string reverse, left triangles, Fizzbuzz test case. Not only that, lead code, easy challenges with solution. How many of you want this? Bonus number 3. Now, Sesh, how is this? Guys, this will increase or remove, this will remove your coding fear or not? By at least by 10%. Yes or no? 10 to 20%. How much percentage it will remove your coding fear? Now you have it. Now your coding fear is removed. Coding wise, 30-day plan to learn Java. Do coding questions, notes you need to follow. Topics wise, this is what exactly you need to. Anyone on the internet sharing this kind of information with you, let me know. Now you are getting the value that I told you, right? Your time will not be wasted, guys, in this webinar. How many of you are learning right now? Secret number 1 is clear or not? Apurva is saying, sir, I want all this. Now you are getting everything, yes or no? Yes or no? But you have to, I will share with you, but you have to tell, you have to give me one thing. You have to just say thanks, right? This is important, right? Yes or no, guys? Thanks. I think you guys can do it, right? Yes or no? A small thanks is now fine. Awesome. So now, guys, if you follow this, so coding fear, what exactly did we learn? How we can remove the coding fear? Coding fewer can be removed if we follow the 30-day Java program. 30 days Java. We will follow, if you follow the Java topic sheet, okay, Java notes, 150 plus Java questions. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? If you follow that, you will remove your coding fear. Yes or no? What do you think? Detailed, detailed way, right? And to become an automation tester, and what else we have learned? To become an automation tester, how much time it will take? Guys, how much time it will take? 4-month plan. 4-month plan to become an automation tester, 1 hour per day, or you can take 5 hours per week. If, for example, there are people who are husbands, mothers, they can give 5 hours per week. Is that possible? Is this possible? That this is possible, right? Our target is to learn Java plus API testing plus Selenium. Yes or no? These are the strategies that we need to follow. Yes or no? How many of you are clear with this strategy till now? Secret number one. If this secret number one is clear, give me big yes in the chat. Pramod sir, I think we are getting confidence. Clear. Give me S1 in the chat. Give me S1 in the chat, Pramod sir. Yes, this is possible. How is the session till now? How is the session, guys? We have only covered one secret. There are two more secrets which are pending and lot of bonuses, okay? There are two more extra bonuses I have added. Hi, sir. Sir, it is so interactive session. I hope this is good. Sir, I'm getting more confidence. Sir, can I complete this in 2 hours if possible? Maharaja, yes. This depends upon you. If you increase more time, it will be early. Yes or no? If you increase, but I think 5 hours per week for a mom and everything is there. Dhanraj is saying, sir, I am getting more greedy now. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So now let me tell you, okay, before we start. So how many of you want to hear a small story before we start further? Secret number two, a small story before we start. Yes. Sir, you showed us the grapes. Okay. How many of you are ready? Give me, you need to tell me the keyword, guys. They include TestNG and BDD framework also. Yes. Dattatreya. Yes. It included. Okay. Good. Guys, just to let you know, okay. This to let you know. So when I have started in 2010 or something, right? There was a 2010, 2008 or 9 recession. How many of you remember? Anyone remember 2008, 2008 or 9 recession, Lehman Brother recession? Yes or no? Lehman Brother recession. How many of you remember recession? Yes? Yes or no? How many of you remember? I was studying in 8th. Okay. So I was there and I went to Bengaluru and I didn't get any job, guys. Didn't get any job. So this was my situation. I was sleeping here. I was sleeping on the couch nearby silk board. Okay, it was so heavy. And this is my failure resume, just to let you know. Okay. I got rejected in 27 plus companies as a fresher. How many companies you have rejected? Type in the chat. Type in the chat, guys. How many companies you have rejected till now? 2, Divakar Singh, Minakshi, 5, Infinity. 15 plus, sir. 2 plus, 3 plus, 5 plus, countless. Okay, good. I got rejected as a tech support role, dev role, backend role, even SEO role. I got rejected in lead role, Adobe role, and even in Google also I got rejected. But still, I was able to create more than 800 videos now. I am a browser champion, Postman, Supernova, cracked Amazon.com, Browser Stack, Wingify, Techion, all the unicorn companies I have cracked till now. I have now 12 plus years experience. I am handling 30 plus people automation under tester right now with me. Okay. So whatever I'm teaching you, which is right now working in the market. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes, everyone is clear. But Pramod sir, so this is all the achievement. I have taught more than 1,000 plus students till now from 2017. But why I am telling you all this? What do you think, guys? Why I am telling you all this? Anyone? Anyone? Why I am telling you all this, guys? What is the problem? Shivam is saying, don't know. To help us. The one is saying, sir, motivation, struggle. No. Because what I am telling you is, guys, if a known IT person who had no idea from ECE background, who has no idea of Java, zero knowledge in Java, can become an automation tester can become an automation tester, you can do it too. I hope everyone is, if you agree with this point, give me yes in the chat. If you, this is the reason. Now we will move toward the secret number 2. If a known IT person with zero Java knowledge can do it, you can do it too, guys. Okay. How many of you are feeling confidence? So now I'm feeling good. Give us the secret number 2 and 2. Sir, you can also be open to testing 2.0. Yes. So this was my reason, guys. This was my reason because when I have started, right, I was struggling with my manual testing. Okay. I was struggling with my manual testing. Okay. This was the problem. And one more thing is, right, nowadays I have seen people are learning Selenium and Java only, which is not correct. You have to add API testing knowledge plus mobile testing knowledge also you need, plus CI/CD things also, which is important. These things people are missing, and that's why they are not getting the job. This is what I have seen also in this case. Okay, so now let's go toward the secret number 2. Is this clear? Everyone is with me? Give me yes in the chat. Secret number 2 is now coming to you. So Pramod sir, it means now we are clear that, okay, topic and roadmap, we are clear. Okay. So topic and roadmap, we are clear. 4-month strategy we need to do. Topic list we already have. So we have a topic list that we need to follow. This is what it is. Now the question is, what about the live projects? The secret number 2, which is told to me, was that if you don't do live project, real live project, your resume will not get selected, and nobody will help you to become an automation tester. How many of you agree with this point? If you are a fresher, I hope this is the problem that you guys are facing issues, right? Yes or no? You have to do live projects. You have to add live projects into this. You have to showcase your skills, right? Yes or no, guys? You have to showcase your skills even as manual tester. Yes or no? Okay. All the manual tester, if you are a manual tester, guys, do tell me, are you showing your test case? Your, are you showing your projects like this? Let me show you. Okay. This is a manual testing project. By the way, how many of you have the GitHub account? How many of you have the GitHub account? Give me yes in the chat. If you don't have, how many of you don't have? Give me no in the chat. If you don't have, give me no in the chat, guys. Guys, GitHub is your second resume. After your resume, GitHub is your second resume. Please remember, in your technical interviews, no matter if you're a fresher, no matter if you are a known IT, no matter if you're a manual tester, people are looking for your GitHub profile. I have seen 100 times my students also, people with your name, for example, your name, Pramod Datta, GitHub, they actually search this. Nobody's telling you this, okay? They search this information. If they search this information, what exactly they will find? They will find a beautiful profile like this. Yes or no? Do you think it's a decent profile? Give me yes in the chat. Do you think it's a decent profile? Right? And I have done my manual testing projects. I have showcased my manual testing project. This is how. This is my project number 1. This is my project number 2. This is my project number 3. This is my project number 4. This is my project number 3. All the templates I have showcased in a way. Guys, now tell me, my percentage will be high as compared to the people who are not doing 5% at least. What do you think, guys? What is the percentage? This will increase if I showcase this my project like this. API testing projects. If you further click, you will find notes. This is the project that I have done in Postman. This is the report that I have done. This is the project I have done. This is a test plan template. This is a test case template. I have also given all my test case template and everything also here. Okay. In this repository, I have also mentioned that, okay, these are the templates and test case template and test case use test cases template and test case plan I have used, okay, as a manual tester. Now, this is a question to all the manual tester. Guys, tell me, the moment you showcase the projects like this, do you think your profile is 5% different than the other people? Yes or no? Yes or no? Give me yes or no in the chat. Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. All the manual tester, this is a question for you. Guys, as a fresher, now question is, as a fresher, no 90 promoter, how do we end, right? That we will cover. If you give this is a template promoter we have used, these are the common verification. This is the test plan that we have used. And this is my repository. You can see which all projects as a manual tester I have done. Not only that, if you showcase your guys, please tell me if I showcase my API automation frameworks, rest assured, as well as the API testing project. This is my API testing automation project. If I showcase like this, as well as my Selenium project, which I have automated like this, my profile will be a star profile, yes or no? This is the secret which nobody is telling you right now. Is this clear? So you need to make these kind of profiles now. Is this clear? Give me yes in the chat if you are feeling good. And this is the first time you are learning. Is it wow moment for you? For how many of you this is wow? Type wow in the chat. Promoter, now I got it. Why my profile was not selected? But Promoter, as a fresher, as a manual tester, as a non-IT, where we can find the live projects? Yes or no? How many of you have this question? Give me yes in the chat. But where do we find all these projects? So this is the problem I have solved. Okay, how many of you want? This problem is already solved. So I have a website called as Website for Practice. I have noted down all the web testing open source project that you can add to your resume. All the automation testing projects that open source project. These are not company project. These are open source projects. All the API testing open source project that you can add to your resume, advanced projects. And this list is key. I am keep on adding. How many of you want this? Give me yes in the chat. You just need to say yes. I will share all this. As a fresher, you will add these things into your resume. As a manual tester, you will add automation projects into your resume after doing this, because now you know the roadmap also, right? Yes or no? Now you know the roadmap, you know Java, you know the API testing, you will add the projects into your resume. Yes or no? So secret number 2 about your live project. Is this clear? Give me S2 in the chat. And how was it? Tell me, guys. Tell me, how was it? For mobile testing also you can do. Yes, mobile testing also you can push. Okay. Mobile testing also you can push. I think so. I have mobile testing also. Somewhere jQuery mobile gameplay, you will find somewhere. Okay. Mobile APM project or something you will find somewhere. APM with Java, with Python demo also. Okay. Sir, nobody has told us in this details. APM project with Python, I think we have done it. Okay. So this is it. Not even the classes, Varsha is saying. Sir, can we add project without the experience? Divakar, that we are going to discuss. Okay, that we are going to discuss. Harita is saying, sir, great idea. We can even add some idea how to do automation and live project also. Yes, okay. Why not able to see the test cases? You will find the test cases here. Okay, this is the test case template, by the way. This is the test case template that you can use. If you want this template, right, I will share with you also. We also have a APM Java masterclass, right? Yes, we have. Okay, everyone is clear with this point? Give me clear in the chat. Sir, Promoter, S2 is clear. Any doubt till now? After now, just give me few more minutes. Give me few more minutes. Then we will have a question answers. Is this clear? Is this clear? Everyone is with me, right? Yes or no? Let me drink some water meanwhile. Sir, S1 and S2 are clear. So strategy is simple. Topics and roadmap, we are clear. Then second secret is do live projects and add them to the GitHub profile. Yes or no? This is clear. Everyone is clear with this point. Give me yes in the chat. This is the, now what is the third one? Promoter, what is the third one? Secret number 3. How many of you are ready? Give me yes in the chat. Okay, myth. Before that, I will clear a myth with you. Okay, couple of people, guys, what do you think? Is this a myth or what is it? Myth number 1, you have to know heavy data structure to become an automation tester. The answer is yes or no, guys. What do you think? Do we have to know heavy data structure to become an automation tester? No. you have to know only this much of what data structure. Those things I have already discussed in my 30 days of plan. Okay. Those things I have already discussed in 30 days of plan. Only few things can be added or removed. Strings, arrays, all are part of this concepts. Few things can be here and there. This is I'm talking because more than 2,000 people have got selected as well as they are into working into companies, right? So they have already purified this. Okay. Everyone is with me? So I hope this is clear. Only manual testers can become the automation tester, not the fresher. What do you think, guys? This is a myth. Yes or no? This is absolutely rubbish. Okay. We have hired multiple freshers right now in the company. Okay. This is a myth. It's a myth. As a fresher, you can too become an automation tester. My friend has got the job also, right? You know this. 5.5 LPA directly as an automation tester. Okay. So couple of fresher have this. Okay. I want high salary. That's why I want to become an automation tester. This was my reason also. How many of you have this reason? Give me yes in the chat. I want high salary hike. That's why I want to become an automation. This is my reason also, by the way. Okay. This was my reason also, by the way. Simple. Okay. And also test automation is not equal to only test scripts. There is more than that in this case that we need to include. Okay. Developers can perform all the automation test cases. Do you think? How many of you think that? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Absolutely rubbish. I know developers who cannot write automation tester. Okay. They don't write unit test cases also. Okay. Okay. Unit testing, even I have written unit test cases, by the way, guys. As an automation tester, developers never write unit test cases also. Okay. So this is not possible. Okay. Clear? Everyone is with me? With me, yes or no? Sir, they are fooling us. Good. So how many of you are ready for the secret number 3? Shall we discuss? Shall we discuss secret number 3? Yes. If you are, just say the word. Just say the word, guys. Say the word. Good. R, right? Yes or no? Good. Okay. Secret number 3 is you have to properly add your resume and you have to use LinkedIn hacks to get the calls. Guys, yes or no? Even though you have learned everything, 75% of the chances, 75% chances your resume will not get selected because if you don't use the hacks. Yes or no? How many of you agree with this point? 75% of the chances, if you don't create a proper resume, your resume will not get selected. Okay, let's do one exercise. Shall we do one exercise? Shall we do one exercise? How many of you are ready? Last exercise we are going to do now. I am going to show you my resume. You have to tell me within 4 seconds, what exactly do you see? Okay. What exactly do you see? Let me show you. Okay. I hope everyone is ready. So let me show you. Okay. Now tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now tell me what exactly do you see? What type in the chat? What exactly? Skills. Okay. What else? Experience. Absolutely right. And projects. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. 3 core things which I wanted all of you to discuss is this, right? Absolutely. Sir, it was a 1-page resume. Good observation. Good observation. Photo. Photo was important. Yes or no? Photo was important. Detailed. Yes. Email was there. Sir, GitHub profile was there. LinkedIn profile was there. Good. Contact info was there. Precise and short. Okay. Guys, this same resume got selected in Amazon.com, Browser Stack, okay, Wingify, and Techion. Okay, just to let you know, this resume which I have just shown you, right? This got selected in multiple ways. Okay, I wanted to show you that I know Java, Selenium, and EPA testing. Yes or no, guys? This is the first thing I wanted to show you. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? This is the hack number 1 which I wanted to give you. Second hack. How many of you are ready for second hack? Within the hack, we have hack. Okay. Second hack. How many of you can see if you read this? if you read this, what exactly is the first thing that you see? I know it's a little blurry. All of you notice the number? Yes or no? All of you notice the number? How many of you notice the number? Give me N in the chat if you notice the number. Numbers are important. Numbers are important. Yes or no? Numbers are important. Right? Numbers are important. And bullet point projects. This is what you need to do. Yes or no? Another hack which I'm going to tell you. See, important keyword in the start: responsible, demonstrated, prepared, drive automation. Yes or no? Yes or no? Strong words. Strong words while starting the line. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Is this clear? This is only a one hack I've told you. Hack number two. Hack number two. Let me share you the hack number two related to resume. Guys, many times. See, resume is something that we need to work on. Resume is something that we need to work on many times, right? Yes or no? So hack number two, which within this hack secret number three is, now tell me guys, how many of you create one resume and suppose if you find a job, let's suppose I have this resume, I found a job. Let me go to my profile. Okay, let me go to my profile. Let me show you. Okay, this is my profile, guys, by the way. So we have almost like 20,000, 22,000 followers, guys, which is super important. Let's find some jobs. Okay, let's find some job. Okay, manager QA, I want to apply in a Salesforce. Suppose I want to apply as a manager in in Salesforce. This is the job description. This is the job description that I have. Guys, tell me, how many of you do this? You create one resume and apply in all the companies. How many of you do this? Give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat. Good. Lavanya, Ganesh, Megha, Bindu, Afra, Shriyadi, Minakshi, Achal, Harshit, Jyoti, Shridi, Neha, Omkar, good, Pallavi, Nithya, Parniti. I am. Rahul Jain is saying no. Okay. Rishu, Gokul, all of you. And what if I tell you all of you are wrong? All of you are wrong. This will not work in 2024 or 25, guys. This will not work. It will never work in 2025. That's why your resume will not get selected. There's something called as ATS. Anyone know what is ATS? Application Tracking System. The moment you apply to this job, if I apply this job, I will get a message. What is the subject line for that message? What is the subject line for that message, guys? Sorry, your resume is not selected. What was it? What is the subject line for that rejection email, guys? Anyone remember? Thank you for applying. Thanks for your applying. Okay, this one you will get. Unfortunately, yes, I remember that. Unfortunately, your resume is not selected. Unfortunately, we can't proceed. We have better choices. Unfortunately, no, not moving forward, Hima is saying. Unfortunately, we are not moving with you, Dattatreya Das. Okay. We are going with another candidate, Naveen is saying. Okay, yes. Okay. What do you need to do now? How many of you are ready for secret number two? In the secret number three, hack number two. How many of you are? What you need to do is, just install this extension. The extension name is Joblytics. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot for this Joblytics extension you need to install. Okay. After that, you click on find the job and click on analyze. Okay. In this one, you will find my score is only 10%. Do you think ATS will select my resume? ATS will only select if my score is more than 50%. So what I need to do? What I need to do is there are these keywords which are missing. How many keywords? These keywords are missing in my resume. So what I will do? I will copy this. I will copy this. I will open my resume. By the way, I am using Nova Resume to create my resume, guys. Go to my documents. You will find my resume here. Okay. Student. No, thanks, please. Okay. I will open my resume in edit mode. I will add in the end, I will add driven the test automation and automation practice and strategic planning. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Missing keyword, I will add. How many of you got it? Give me G in the chat. Promosor, I got it. Missing keyword, smartly, I will copy paste. Self motivate. Okay, Salesforce. Salesforce, I need to add. Go to my resume. Okay, go to my resume. Instead of Kubernetes, I will smartly add Salesforce as of now. So this will create a new resume. Yes or no? For this job description of Salesforce Manager QA, now I have a different resume. Yes or no, guys? Resume 2. How many of you are clear with this point? Give me clear in the chat. How many of you are got the idea? This resume will now work. So every job description, JD, will have a different resume. This exactly is working right now in the market. Yes or no? Give me yes or no in the chat. This is exactly which is working right now in the market. No, but have you heard this anywhere? Have you heard this anywhere, guys? This thing, no, right? Yes or no? Couple of no, right? No, 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 no. Okay. This is the information you need to do. And what if I tell you, I'll give this is only 2 hacks I have given to you. Only 2 hacks. How many of you want 25 plus hacks? How many of you want 25 plus hacks like this? Plus LinkedIn strategy to reach to the HRs. Okay. Joblytics. Joblytics is the name. Joblytics is the name of extension. Okay. Okay. Let me give you one more hack. How many of you are ready? Give me ready in the chat. How many of you apply? How many times do you apply? Guys, tell me. How many times per day you apply? How many types of jobs? How many? What is the number that you have? Generally, my number is 4 to 5. 4 to 5 jobs. Whenever I'm searching, 4 to 5 jobs per day. But how do you track your jobs? Guys, how do you track your jobs? Do you track your jobs? Do you track your jobs? Yes or no? No? Nope. Okay. So let me show you another way, which I generally prefer to use it. Okay. You can use something called as job tracker. This is a job tracker. This one, which I have also used it, it works very well. This is hack number 3, which is coming to you. Guys, suppose I'm applying in Airtel. I can basically share, I can add all the details of Airtel where I have applied. Okay. Click on save. If my interview is scheduled, I will just see this. Daily, if I'm applying for 8 jobs, I can use this tool. For example, QA manager, if I'm applying right now, suppose I got an offer from, then I can basically move here. I can move it here because here I have applied. Now tell me, this dashboard, if you follow daily, it will increase or boost up your job searching, yes or no? Give me yes or no, yes. This is a simple hack that you can use. Now, if you want to apply for any other job, suppose I am applying in senior Techion, senior QA lead in Techion. Suppose I am applying, right? This is where I might want to apply. Then what I will do? Manually, it is manually because manually we want to see, right? Manually we want to see data, but okay. So senior QA, where is my Techion job went? Okay. I think we missed it. Okay. Senior QA lead. This, for example, this is where I have applied. Techion job posting URL, some blah, blah, blah. Click on save, NA. Job description, you can paste it and click on save. And now here I have mentioned apply. Is this will be helpful for you? Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? What if I tell you there are more than 25 plus hacks I have done, guys? A paid session I have done with my students. And this is where you can get it for free. How many of you want that bonus? Give me yes in the chat. A paid session of 1 hour where I will teach you how to create a golden resume which gets selected every time. We will discuss about top mistakes that you are doing, resume review live, and resume that gets selected every time. We will create a resume live in front of you. How many of you want that? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. How many of you want it? That will be increasing. Okay. Awesome. So I will be sharing all this link. Okay. I will be sharing all this link. now. Okay. So this was the secret number 3. Okay. So what exactly did you learn after the secret number 1, 2, 3, and 4? Now we will have audio conversation. Okay. Now, guys, we will have audio conversation. What exactly did you learn? You have to change your mindset. Yes or no? Now all of you have a clarity. How many of you have the clarity, Pramod sir? Now I have a clarity. Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat. To become an automation tester, now you have a clarity. Yes or no, guys? How was the session? Tell me. How was the session? I hope your time is not wasted. Yes or not? Sir, it was amazing. Yes or no? It was amazing. Yes or no? Helpful, amazing, energetic, superb, got the knowledge. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Sir, I need all the documents. Of documents, I will say. If you say yes in the chat, I will share with you. Okay. Now, but one important thing. So now, guys, so now I want one permission for you because I will be discussing about a. So now the session is finished. Okay, guys, the session is finished. What is the action item that you need to follow is, what is your biggest takeaway? What is your biggest takeaway from this session? Guys, tell me in the chat. What is your biggest takeaway? Need to practice, follow the roadmap, start learning, jump into it. Good, good. Roadmaps and hacks are important. Mindset is important. No need to fear. Follow a roadmap. Follow, everything is possible. For okay, good, good, good. Action item is that you have to basically give 4 to 5 hours per week. How many of you can give? Give me I in the chat. So, guys, so same problem I was just discussing with you. Okay. So I was also searching for these kind of things. Okay. So I thought, let's do one thing. Let's basically, I am searching for some people who can basically follow this same roadmap. And if you are really interested to become an automation tester, they can take help from me. Okay. So this was the idea which was basically discussed. Okay. So this is the roadmap that we have created, right? So this roadmap we are going to follow. Okay. This roadmap we are going to follow in this case. Now I'm going to discuss about a course which I am going to launch, guys. So a new course of automation tester blueprint batch we are going to launch. Okay, where we will be following up this 4-month plan to become an automation engineer. But there is one thing you need to give, which is 4 to 5 hours per weekend. How many of you think it is possible and you want to learn from me? If you get the clarity, this is what it. Give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat. How many of you are serious? Only serious people. Okay, if you are not serious, please. Done. I don't want not serious people. Guys, because I will be teaching you, I will be helping you in your journey to become an automation tester. And I don't want non-serious people in this case. Okay. So what we are going to cover, Pramod sir? We are going to follow the same roadmap. Okay. We are going to follow the same roadmap. We will be learning manual testing for 7 days. Okay. 30 days, we will be focusing on Java. I will be helping you to remove your coding fear. We are going to follow the same notes that I have showcased you. We will be doing the exercises. Okay, if you want to see previous batch exercises also, we will be doing live exercises. Okay, we will be doing the lab exercises also. Okay, Java programs, we will be covering step by step, one by one. All of the Java classes, more than 200 plus Java classes we will cover. Okay. So just to show you, this is previous batch, which I'm just showing you right now. All the live classes we are going to do. I am assuming you have zero knowledge in the Java. This is what we are going to follow. Okay. So roadmap will be learning the core Java, OOPS concept, collection framework, threading and design pattern. Core Java, we will discuss. We will cover the projects, live projects for manual testing. Manual testing, we have 5+ open source projects which you can use, which you can add. API testing projects, 2+ projects. How many of you think API testing projects are important? Give me yes in the chat, guys. Give me yes in the chat. API testing projects are important. Web automation projects, 3+ web automation projects that we are going to do. We will be learning in sprints, agile. This one we are going to follow. Okay. We will be creating our framework. Same page object framework we are going to create, right? API test automation also we are going to cover. Cucumber, BDD, Maven, TestNG, all these things we are going to cover side by side. CI/CD things we are going to cover. TestNG mobile automation framework, which is coming, that also we are going to cover. Mobile testing part is already part of the testing academy in this case. And I'm going to help you in resume building. What do you think, guys? Not only the 4-month course, after 4 months also, we will help you to create the resume. We will help you to create in job finding and research. We will help you in LinkedIn methods and everything, tips and tricks, and to get a call. Yes, handwritten notes, access to LMS 24/7, lifetime recordings, doubt sessions like this, curated lists of jobs and these things. Mock interview. How many of you think mock interviews are important? Give me yes in the chat. Give me yes in the chat if you agree with this point. Mock interviews. Guys, if you don't do the mock interviews right, then what will happen is you are not prepared. Even after 3 months course, 4 months course, whatever that you do, right? If you don't do mock interviews, you are not prepared. So you will be having a mock interviews with me one-to-one after the sessions. Okay. This is what we are going to do. All this, not only this, you are getting the certificate of completion in the end. Okay. You are going to get certificate of completion in the end, right? So this is the program that we are going to launch. Okay. And total value for this program is 92,000, which I believe. Okay. Because it's a 4-month live batch, 4-month live, you will be learning with me. Access to previous batch recording will be available to you. Playwright with Java course, which is 6,000 rupees, which is coming to the market, right? Playwright with Java course also I have added. 5+ bonus courses of manual testing plus API testing, which will be added. Club access of lifetime access of the private group. This much we are going to cover in this case. Okay. So overall cost for this overall cost is, what do you think, guys? Cost will be, what do you think, guys? What is the cost should be? What the cost should be? What do you think, guys? Tell me. Any guesses? Okay. So 20,000, 15,000? Nope. Only fixed price that we are going to cover. It is for today. If you join it before 12 a.m. today, the cost is 9,999 only. Okay. Only 999 only. This is what we are going to cover. It's a 4-month live program. Okay. It's a 4-month live program. So let me show you how you can enroll into this. It is a very simple. If you just go to this link, sdat.live/become. Okay. How to enroll? Very simple. It is a job ready automation tester blueprint batch. Okay. You just need to click on this click button, click here to enroll. Right. So just to let you know, these are the live class timing. TTS, we will have a class. These are the live classes, 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST, Tuesday, Thursday. Okay. And Saturday, we will have 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. class. 4 months course, right? If you want to learn, this is, we have taught more than 6,000 plus students. Accenture, everything, browser stack, Cognizant, many people have already got the job. If you want to read about the testimonial, these are our previous students. If you want to check it out, live course. Okay. If you are a manual tester, fresher, student, or if you want to do it, you can do it. Right. All these topics, this is all the frameworks that we are going to cover. This is the framework that we have mentioned. Okay. Okay. This is what we are going to cover. This is the roadmap we are going to follow. And these are the 8+ bonuses which are there. If you join today before 12, these 2 bonuses are available to you. Previous batch recordings, we never do this. Okay. So this is a old pricing. You will be getting this. Click on the click start here button. Okay. And after that, you just need to enter your details. If you are from India, you can click on Razorpay one time only. Enter the coupon, which is PROMODE. The cost will be 999 only. Complete order. Okay, complete order. And directly you will get, you can just pay through the UPI, GPay, PhonePay, right? Enter your number, click on proceed. If you are using QR code, you can use any GPay, PhonePay, whatever you can. Card if you're using here. If you want EMI option, there are EMI options also you can basically do. after doing this. Okay. So this is the offer that we are going to cover. It's a 4-month roadmap that we are going to cover live classes, which is starting from 2nd of April. So Tuesday, we are starting out, guys. Tuesday, 2nd of April, we are starting out. That will be our class. Okay. That is, we are going to cover. So this is the timings. Okay. And this is where you can join the course. Classes will be on the Zoom like this only. Now let's take the questions. Okay. Let's take the questions. If you want to see the recordings, right? Yes. A couple of people are saying, sir, how do we see the recordings? Recording will be given to you. Okay. So the moment you join, you will have access to courses.testingacademy.com. If you go to courses, this is the course where you will find the 6x batch. This is a 6x batch, by the way, guys. Just to let you know, guys, before you see this batch price, we are going to increase the price to 12,500. This is the old pricing that you are getting. You are getting 999 only for today only. After that, after today, it will be 12,500. Okay. SDET.club master classes you will get, and manual testing, all the important, these are lifetime recordings that you can get. And we have live sessions also side by side. Okay. So this is the link. You can find the link. Let's take the questions. How many of you want to have a questions? Raise your hands, guys. Raise your hands now. Let's take audio question. How many of you want to discuss with me? Raise your questions. Okay. One more thing. One more thing. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me through WhatsApp. How many of you want my WhatsApp number? Pramod sir, I want your WhatsApp number. Give me I in the chat. But don't only message, okay? If you have any doubt you want to ask with me, give me I in the chat, guys. Okay. This is my WhatsApp number, okay? Please don't call it on that number, only messages. Okay. This is the course where you can find it. Let's take couple of questions. The people who have basically raised the hand. Let me take the questions. Yes, Rekha. Rekha, you are the first one. Yes, go on. Rekha, you are there? Yes or no? You are there? Do let me. Yes, Rekha, please tell me yes.
Pramod, I have question. Actually, I have worked as a manual tester for 7 years.
Okay.
And now I'm forced to learn, upskill myself to withstand in IT. So, like if I learn automation also, like how will I be able to switch and how will be take the same work? Like 7 years experience is not a small amount which I can show to new company.
7 years is nothing, no, Rekha. To be honest, let me tell you, in previous batch of ATB 5X, there are many students who, let me show you the testimonials also, okay? So guys, before you, I told you, right, there are hundreds of people who have joined, right? So they more than 200 plus testimonials you will find on the love.testingacademy.com. Okay. So if you find Kushali, Deepak, Priya, right, and Naveen, Joshi, all these people who have given the testimonials, there are people after 14 years as a manual tester, they have joined as an automation tester, Rekha. So that is possible. Okay.
If you see now in automation also, now if you see now trend has been changed. Previously it was like only Selenium, okay, but now it is like Selenium, CI/CD, API testing. Like
and
many
API also,
modules
yes.
are being added. Just
right.
no Selenium, no more Selenium is asking. There are many add-ons have been added. So in
That's
this
why
now,
we have included. No, see, if you see, we have included CI/CD also, web automation also, API testing also. And when you become a part of sdet.club, right? So if you join it today before 12, right, you will automatically become part of sdet.club masterclass lifetime access. You will see some extra topics also I have added. See, extra topics like APM mobile testing, JMeter, Docker. Yes, JMeter sessions, performance testing also, security related testing also, which is coming right now, coding questions, JavaScript basics, GitHub crash course, coding questions for mastering this skill. So we are also adding more and more things into our profile, Rekha. Is this making sense? AI is also coming, yes. When Iknesh is asking, sir, AI also is coming? Yes, it is coming. Is this answer your question now, Rekha? Yes?
Yeah.
Good, awesome. So we'll take more question. Pooja, yes. Rekha, don't worry. See, coding fear we can remove. The moment we do the project, you will be able to understand also. And 7 years is nothing, trust me. There was a student of mine, Vishnu is the name. After 14 years, he was able to learn automation and he has done it. Okay. The only thing is because, see, you have not done it. That's why you are just into that zone. Sometimes you have to trust someone, right? Yes or no? So if you, did you understood the roadmap, Rekha?
Yes, yes.
Did you understand the
I'm
roadmap?
clear.
Do you think it is possible to do? Do you think it is possible to perform this? Yes.
Yes. Crunch by crunch it is.
See, guy, just to let you know, before 2000 plus student last year only have done it. It is system works. People fail. Okay, people fail. So your mindset will fail, but this system works. This is what I'm telling you. So sometimes you need to trust the system, right? That's what we are going to do. Clear?
Yes.
Make sense? That makes
Yes.
sense. So feel confident, okay, and also bring confidence to your voice also. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Yes, Pooja, please go on, please. Guys, we will do rapid fires now, okay? What will the salary after switching from manual to after 4 or 5 years? Vagishri is asking. After 4 or 5 years, I think you should expect minimum 25. This is what you should do. Sir, automation, I am automation tester only. I know Selenium, Cucumber. I'm able to automate, but still now don't know Java concept, resuming the concept in automation. Viknesh, we will be covering Java, OOPS concept, core basics concept, the collection framework, solid principles, design patterns. We will be creating our own automation framework in API rest assured as well as in Selenium. So you will learn a lot in this case. Clear? Aditi Singh, sir, I'm a pass out of 2070. Can I get a job? As a fresher, you can apply, Aditi, in a startups. Many startups there are who, as a fresher, you can apply. Many students have done it. If you want to read, right, I would highly recommend you to read all these testimonials. Let me share the testimonials with you. Okay. Are we bringing AI into this resume in the roadmap also, Shivam? Yes, we are bringing. We are bringing the AI, generative AI for software testers also. Pooja, yes, go on, please. Go on, Pooja, please. Then we have Priya. Yes, Priya, go on. Priya, you're allowed to talk. Give me, guys. Don't feel scary. You can ask any question you want. Okay. This is a private session between us. This is between us only. You can ask any question that you have. Okay. Will you be providing all the documents or live session to the understand the concept? Kirtana is asking. Yes, 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 yes. So, guys, just to let you know, this offer is till 12. You will not get, you will get live access, live coaching, live 4 month batch, which is starting on 2nd of April. So just Tuesday, we are starting out 7 a.m. The moment you enroll, you will get access to all the bonus on automatically. I've told you how to do that, right? Priya, you are not audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're not audible. Yes, yes. Now you are. Tell me.
Sir, I want to Python with Selenium.
Python with Selenium, right now we don't have any batch. We'll let you know if there is a Python related to it. Okay. But right now we have a Java one, which is more popular. So that is there. Okay. Yeah. Make sense? Awesome. What else? Who else? Who else? Okay. We'll take more questions. Let's take Preeti Arora. Yes, Preeti. Your question, please. Yes, Preeti, go on, please.
Hi, Pramod. Hi, Pramod,
Yes.
sir. Yeah, I've just enrolled the program, so I'll be starting it from second.
Good, 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 good.
And
Awesome,
just
awesome.
yeah, I just wanted to but there's a coding failure definitely. I have 11 years of experience. I'm a QA lead in a IT firm, and I wanted to move ahead with the automation. I have a coding failure, and I don't know if I'll be able to do
Coding
it.
fear is something that can be removed whenever we jump into it, right? That is the only thing. See, I am assuming you have zero knowledge, okay? Because I have started as a zero also, right? So we will be
Yeah.
covering everything step by step. We will be doing
Okay.
lab exercises, more than 250 plus lab exercises we'll do. And you will
Okay.
upload those exercises in your GitHub repository, right? Then you will feel more confident. Okay. So you will see live everything. Okay. If you want to see, right, let me show you also. For example, let me show you, for example, if we pick any previous class, right? Let's suppose we have done core Java basic class, right? Let me show you, see how I am teaching practically step by step. We are following everything. We are teaching, we are covering, we are basically doing everything live. I'm explaining compiler, interpreter in
Okay.
Java,
Perfect.
everything and all, right? So all these
And
things we will be doing live also.
Okay, Pramod sir, if for example, if I miss one of the class, so how I can, cover
You
up that?
you can go to courses.testingacademy.com. You will find all the recordings. These are the recordings for
Okay, every
lifetime
class will
access.
be recorded. Okay.
After live session, it will be recorded. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
After
Okay,
live
sir.
session, it will be recorded. This is
Okay,
a
sir.
4-month live program, guys. Please note, this is a 4-month live program. It's not a recorded course. I am just giving you previous batch recording so that you can accelerate. Some people want only API testing related videos. They want to accelerate. They want to do it in 3 months or something, right? They can accelerate also. That's why we are providing previous batch recording. But previous batch recording is not available if you join it after today. Okay. Those are only for the people who are right now in this batch. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Good.
See you in the class.
No. See you, Preeti. Bye. Yes, Hima. In the upcoming classes, a complete explanation of all the each topic will be given. Yes, Deepika. Yes. Prince, you have a question? Okay, we'll take your question also. Who else is remaining? Okay, who else? Who else? Shanti. Shanti ready? Go on, please. Shanti ready? Guys, keep raising your hands.
Hi,
Timings can be.
Pramod.
Yes, please go on. Shanti.
Hi, Pramod. This is Shanti. So
Yes.
currently, I have 14 years of experience, including the gaps, Pramod. So
Okay.
if I start searching once I got a knowledge and experience on automation, so do they consider the manual? So if they posted as a automation jobs, do they also consider the manual? If
Yes,
I
yes, they will.
if I
They will
say
know.
like a
So,
14 years, so does it make sense? Like, are they take it as a junior position, or how much? I mean, like how much I expect,
see,
and what is the
this is the
negotiable?
answer. I got the point. This is the answer we will discuss privately. But again, I'll give you a rough answer. Whatever the manual testing experience that you have, right? We will rotate or showcase in a such a way that it becomes an automation tester experience. Okay. So this is what we will be planning now. Okay, this is possible. Many students do it. This is not new. Okay. How many classes per week? 3 classes per week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay. 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, and 2 hours. Okay. So more than 5 hours of content per week. Almost. Vignesh says, sorry, no, now the Tosca is coming. Tosca is nothing, guys. It will not replace Selenium. And let me tell you why. There are many students of mine who basically right now working in Tosca and everything. It is very difficult to find next job in Tosca. Okay, Vignesh. So it is important that you should pay more attention to the original core automation, which is important. Okay. Let's take more question. Sumit Kumar. Yes, please. Sumit Kumar, quickly, let's do a rapid fire. We will do most of it. Okay. Kriti is saying, sir, live
Sir,
classes. Okay.
hi, sir.
Yes, go please. Yes.
Sir, can you tell me Selenium with Java or Selenium with Python? Which language is good right now? And right now, market, which platform is good, like Selenium with Java or Selenium with Python?
See, there is no good or there is no bad option. Let me tell you very important. There is no good or there is no bad option. Important thing is, which one you are more comfortable and which one you think is comfortable to you. Of course, Java has more opportunity. This is truth. But Python also has the opportunity that is also there. People are getting jobs in Python also. In my last 3 companies, we have hired and we have a Python repository also. Okay. As well as Java repository also. So it is your choice, Sumit. But if you want to grab more opportunity, go with Java. If you think you can do it with Java, did you understand the roadmap? Do you think it is possible? Do you think it is possible, Sumit? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
So then it is your choice based on this. Okay. So right now, this webinar is with the Java, right? It is your call which you want to take it. Let me tell you about myself. It is your choice if you want to start with Java or Python. Java has more opportunities. If you think you can do it, right, then go ahead and take the program. And I'm pretty much sure you will be able to become an automation tester after 4 months. This will be our target in the end. Okay. This will be our target. Okay. Clear? Kriti is saying, so okay, Germany live session timing doesn't. Kriti, you will be getting the recordings after 2 hours, right? After 2 hours, automatically recording will be uploaded. And you can ask question 24/7. You can ask question on sdet.club. So sdet.club, you will be a part of. Okay. You will be a part of SJ.club. And what is this SJ.club, right? SJ.club is something which is you guys will be a part of whenever you join it today. Okay. You will have a lifetime access to this where you can get job referrals. You can get a private group. Okay. You can get what we call a every Friday evening, 8 p.m., we will have some kind of sessions. Okay. What is this Masterclass, right? This is a club which is given to us. Okay. You will get job referrals here, private doubt sessions. Okay. Every 8 p.m. Friday, you will have a masterclass. Masterclass is different from your course. It is different from their course. Topics will be like Docker, mobile testing, security testing, okay, performance testing, other GitHub related tutorials, GitLab, right? Some extra topics that we have. Those will generally be covered in the Friday masterclasses. So if you want to see, let me show you job referrals. This is where we share the jobs referrals. Guys, every week we curate the jobs. We curate the jobs and we share it in here. How many of you think that referrals is something that works right now in the market? How many of you think that? Give me yes in the chat. Yes, referral is the easiest way to get a job, right? Yes or no? So what if there are more than 3,000 plus students of previous batches also who will give you referrals? Isn't it amazing? These guys are also working right now. They are part of previous batches. If you ask them politely, they will give you referrals. And every day they are also sharing if their company is hiring or not. Yes or no? So this is a platform which I have given to you, right? I hope this makes sense. Yes or no? Is this make sense? Yes. Not only that, you will have a private group. For example, this is a previous batch, guys. This is a previous batch private group where you can ask the questions live. For example, here you will see that, okay, all the questions you can ask it and people will be replying you, right? All the questions here, if you have it right, it is like a Facebook for your doubt session. This will work, right? Yes or no, guys? This is a community driven program. Yes or no, guys? How many of you think this is important? Give me yes in the chat if you think that this is important. You will be writing, you will be creating Selenium notes. We will be following everything. If you have any doubt, you can ask anytime. Kriti. So even if you have watched the recording, you can ask the questions here anytime. Yes or no? And we will be replying you. Isn't it amazing? Amazing. Yes or no? What do you think? Not only that, every Friday we have extra sessions like interview questions, learn coding, mastering coding, Git basics, JavaScript basics. Every Friday, you see, every Friday we have sessions, and this you can attend anytime, plus doubt sessions. Clear? Is this clear? I hope this is clear. Isn't it amazing, guys? This is a complete automation 360 course. We will make sure that you become an automation tester 360, right? Yes or no? Okay, let's take a couple of questions. Divakar.
Hello, Pramod.
Yes, yes. Go on, please.
Uh, Pramod, actually, I am from commerce background, and currently I am working as a team leader in Genpact, and I have
Okay.
having 2 years of experience in account and finance domain. So, is
Okay.
it good for me to switch as a automation tester because I am from commerce
Uh,
background?
to be honest, I think it will be very difficult for you. If somehow you can manage the experience, then it is possible. Rest of the things you can we can discuss on private. You can ping me on as sj.live/WhatsApp. You have seen my WhatsApp, right? Like this, because
Okay,
this is little public, right? But it can be done. I'll tell you, I'll give you a hint. In the previous batch, Automation 4X, there was a person from BPA background. After 7 years, he was able to switch to automation profile in Bengaluru, one of the startup. So it is possible also. Just to give you a hint. Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
that
I
that
will
is
ping
your
you.
answer. Right. But you need to justify your knowledge. So that's why course is important. Okay. That is important.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yes, Dattatreya Das. Dattatreya Das, your question. Then Madhupriya, your question is next. Dattatreya Das, please go on. Okay, Dattatreya Das. Yes, go on, please. Okay, Madhupriya. Madhupriya, you are next. Madhupriya, okay. Who else? Yogita, you have question? Yes, Madhupriya, go on, go on, go on. You're
Hi,
audible. Go
Pramod.
on. Yes.
Actually, I have a career break of 10 years and now I'm working in TCS. After a break of 10 years, I got job in TCS. It's about 2 years working in TCS. And I wanted to
What is the
switch.
profile?
I worked in a core Java. Now switched
Okay.
now wanted to switch testing side. How this
Okay.
program will
So
help for me? I know Java and
you can try with automation profiles, no?
yes,
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 you can
Selenium
try
with
with.
Java
If
only
you
I'm
already know
trying.
Java, then API automation and web automation will be very easy for you. You can try with automation profiles now. Madhupira, it will be a great opportunity for you. If you are not looking further more for in development, right? You can go switch your career in automation and try for good product-based company. This is what our target will be. Okay. So if you are
How
working
our
with me
program
as
will actually we are market is good not good now. How our program will give us opportunity in good companies?
as an automation tester, you are saying?
Yes, yes.
It is good. No, it is very good to be honest. I think many companies, good product-based company that I have shown you list also, right? Those I have seen are hiring right now. Even hiring is already started, guys. I am not sure if you have a decent experience of 2-3 years as an automation engineer and all, right? We are also hiring if you want to apply. Okay. So you can reach out to me sj.live/WhatsApp. I will help you to pass the resume. There are many HRs who basically, because testing academy is something which is uh, popular right now, right? So many HR connect with me to send some profiles. So I send my students profile also to there for interviews. Okay. Those things generally also we do. So yeah, fair enough. I think you have your answer, right? I think go for it. Go for it, Madhupriya. I think you should take the test. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank
Clear?
you. Yeah.
Go for it. Yes, Yogita, please go on. Yes, go with Yogita, please go on. It is available for lifetime. Duration of course is 4 months, Maharaja. Okay. Yogita, you please go on, please go on. Then we will have, okay. Rahuf. Rahuf.
Yes, hi
Is
Pramod.
it Rahul or Rahuf?
Rauf.
Rahuf. Okay, good, good. Very
Yeah,
good. Very decent name, man.
yeah,
Good,
yeah,
good, good. Tell me, please, your
yeah.
doubt.
Previously, I have taken Selenium with the Java course. Okay, previously,
Okay.
1.5 year,
Okay.
yeah, 2 years in the
Mm.
second part of a Corona time. At that
Mm.
time, I have taken
Okay.
where I used to struggle a lot to get a job. I have a good
Okay.
knowledge in coding. I mean,
Mm.
decent knowledge. Uh, like uh,
What was the reason? What do you think? What went wrong there that
what
time?
went wrong in the sense I don't have an opportunity and I don't have any support to go ahead further. I don't even know what to do
Mm.
after learning the course. I have a good knowledge. Like even the institute people guided me to stay in that institute and take few peoples and go ahead with your classes. They have given
Mm.
opportunity to that also, but I
Mm.
don't think that I am deserved that. I want to become an automation tester. That is my plan.
See,
I don't have a
easiest way is basically after covering after covering any course, right? You should start preparing for your resume, start applying, and just check it out why your strategies are not working, why you are not getting the calls. If you are getting the calls, why you are not able to clear the interview. If you are able to clear the interview, then go ahead with this. I think it's a easy process,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
that is also good. But next point is the thing, um,
Mm.
after completion of the course,
Right.
even I don't know how to like LinkedIn, how to profile it. Someone tell
All
that,
the, so did you understood the hack that I have discussed with
yes,
resume and
yes,
everything?
yeah,
And
yeah.
I have 22,000 followers in LinkedIn. Do you think 22,000 followers are easy to get?
No,
Right. So I know some extra strategies. You agree with that? And
yes,
I can
yes,
discuss those strategies with you also, right?
yeah,
Exactly, we are going to do. Okay, so after 4 months, you will be a part of Club, right?
yeah,
There we will be reviewing your resume live. We will be helping you in LinkedIn. We will
yep,
see why your resume is not working. What is the mistake that you are doing?
yeah,
Are you following all the hacks or not? Everything and all. And
mm,
we generally do these exercises on the monthly basis also. Rahul,
o-
make sense?
okay,
And
Yeah.
also, have you showcased your project in GitHub? Tell me, have you showcased
No,
any of your project?
no, not even CI, CID tools, anything. They will just explain in a decent like just like a small topic. That's it. And
No, no, that doesn't work. No, have you pushed your code to GitHub?
no.
Then what is the point? I mean, see, if I'm an interviewer, right, I'm taking an interview from Techie on behalf.
Mhm.
If you cannot showcase me
Mm.
your work, then what is
Yeah,
the point? Yes or
yeah.
no?
That's what I feel
That
like. How
that's what
to
I'm
like.
telling you. No, I am teaching you what is right now working in the market. There
Yeah,
are people, because I am also working. Okay, by the way, just to let you know. So
yeah.
there are people who have like 10-year back they have done something, right? But
Mm.
right now everyone wants to see your GitHub profile, your automation projects that you have done, your
Yep.
manual testing projects that you have uploaded. Everyone
Mhm.
wants to see that. You have
Yep.
to use hacks and everything to get a job, and you have to make sure your resume gets selected. All these things are combined. Basically means if you are a better, right, you have to click 6 on every ball, then only you win.
Yeah,
Understood? This
yeah,
is
yeah,
what this program is. That is what
yeah.
it is program. Okay.
And
And if you want to
currently,
read about the other people, other testimonials, you can read it. I'll share
yeah,
the link with you. Go
yeah.
on.
I have one more query. Currently, I'm doing non-IT job because I have tried in a
Hmm.
lot with the automation testing to get at
That is
least
fine.
a
That is
manual
fine. That
testing.
is fine.
Yeah,
Hmm. That is fine.
that's what I find
That,
somewhat different section over here. I just want to try
huh.
because I am the oldest follow YouTube follower of yours when I have started
Oh, is it?
learning automation.
Oh, is it the case?
Yes, that's
Okay,
what
thank you.
I
No
just
worries, no
got
worries.
an
So I
invitation.
think now it's time for you. So now it's time for you to take some actions. Okay, don't listen
Y-
to me. Take
Yeah,
actions.
yeah,
Okay,
sure.
take action and take a leap of faith. Okay,
Yeah,
let's see
one more
what we can
query.
do. Go
One
on,
more
please.
query.
Hmm.
When I have completed my coaching and everything, I have taken
Hmm.
five to six I mean, not five, 3 to 4 interviews where
Okay.
I'm lagging with the coding, the whatever
Hmm.
they used to ask the queries. The
Hmm.
when it comes to the theoretical part, it is totally clear for me, and I can give a proper explanation for that.
I'll tell you
The
very
max,
simple. I'll tell you. I
yeah,
got the question. Okay, I'll tell you very simple. Okay, in an
yeah,
interview of automation, right?
yeah,
Not everything is coding.
hmm,
Coding is 30%.
yeah,
Knowledge of API testing is 30%.
yeah,
40% is Selenium, CI, CD, and everything.
yeah,
What exactly you make mistake is you think coding is 100%, then that's
mhm,
why people don't learn automation.
uh-huh,
But let me tell you, in if coding, for example, out of 5 questions, if you are able to answer one or two,
mhm,
in API automation, if you are good and if you are able to answer, in
mhm,
Selenium, if you are able to answer,
mhm.
90% of the chances you will get selected. If you want to
Yeah,
hear these stories, join the SJ.club. There are hundreds of students who are just okay coder, and now they are working as an automation tester. So hold the people who are coding fear, right? I hope
yeah,
this makes sense to you. If this is
yeah.
making sense, give me yes in the chat, guys. This I hope this is making sense.
Yes,
Just to
Pramod,
let
of
you
course.
know. Good.
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
Okay,
Thank
Rahul,
you,
we'll
Pramod.
see. We'll take more questions. Okay, bye
Y-
bye. Swati, yes, go on, please. Then Nitin Gujal, your question next. Swati, you are in. Swati, guys, raise your hands. Raise your hands if you want to ask your question. Raise your hands, and if you want to ask, just type in the chat. Okay, Nitin Gujal, your question, please. Yes, go on, please go on. Swati, you go first. Nitin, you can go first.
Uh,
Then Swati, you will go. Okay. Yes, go on,
Sir,
please.
how much mock interviews will be conducted after the course?
Generally, we do it one. If you need more than that, let me know. I am ready. Nitin, how many you want?
Uh,
Okay.
till the uh, till the interview, right?
Till the interview crack you want. Okay. You if you don't crack it for 5 years, I will be keep on taking your interview. Is it?
No, sir, not like
No,
that.
no, no. Okay.
Just
Say generally we have only one. We can have one or two if it is needed, Nitin. Is it fine? Okay.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Good. Awesome.
Yes. Sir, I
Mm-hmm.
have experience in manual testing,
Mm-hmm.
but I want to learn automation and all the things to
Hmm.
get a job in automation testing. but
Right.
sir,
Hmm.
but after learning that how to get job interview calls and what skill
Job
how
interviews and
to
calls, right? That we will be discussing. No, we will be discussing all the things and everything, right? First of all, first thing first is that you need to
and
wear. You need to make sure you justify your experience, right? This is important. First thing is that important. Yes, go on. Your question, yes.
sir, and in automation testing, what skill we have to measure? What skill all means all are necessary skills to
All
become
are important. The
shall
roadmap that I have discussed with you, right? Roadmap that I have discussed with you,
yes,
exactly the thing you need to focus. Exactly. You need to focus. Okay. Is the course available in English or bilingual? It will be in English. Fifth grade English I speak, right? Yes or no, Harshit? Yes or no? Fifth grade English I
uh,
speak.
and sir, in the week there is only 2 days. Can we uh,
Yes.
can I,
Three classes, no?
oh,
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Three classes, no? In week.
yeah.
Okay.
So, sir, Monday, Tuesday, 5 days. Can we? Yeah. Okay.
So one
Can
and a
you
half hour,
take
1.5 hour, and 2 hours. Ultimately, it is almost 5 hours only, no, Nitin? Clear? Yes or no?
yes,
We
yes,
have divided in such a way,
yes, sir.
right?
Okay, and sir, can you complete it before in 3 months so that we
See,
can
this is
get
your speed. What I can do
early?
is I can share the recordings with you. If you can do it early, you can. But we will go with the flow. 4 months is something that I have seen it. It works very well. 100% people get the results. Okay, this is what I have seen. Clear, Nitin? This makes sense. Recordings will be available. You can accelerate the process if you want. Same content we are going to cover. Okay. Yes, Swati, go on,
Oh,
please. Nitin, I hope you are clear, right? Swati, go on, please.
Yes, no, sir.
yes, sir.
Hi. So, I'm working as a
Huh.
manual for like 3 years.
Manual tester, okay. Okay.
With that, I'm a computer science graduate, and
Okay.
somehow I got training for manual training for testing, and then
Okay.
testing project.
Okay.
So, means I'm trying to change the stream in the
Hmm.
manual automation testing, or I'm very confused at this stage, like because the project which I am in is not letting me
Hmm.
go in automation. It's like giving me the whole work of manual. So it's like
Okay.
challenging work for me to take time out of it to work on automation and
No
all.
worries. No. See, what you are saying is you are right now working in manual project, right? Yes.
Yes.
Is that the case? What I would highly recommend is go through the courses, go through the course. Next company where you are applying, right? Showcase that, okay, in the last couple of months, I have done automation. For 6 months or 1 year, I have done automation. They cannot verify. No company can verify if you have done automation or manual work. Okay. But you have to justify. How will you justify? Because of knowledge. You will showcase that, yes, I have done. This is my GitHub profile of rest assured API testing, Selenium project. This is what you have done. Core Java projects I have done. Showcase those things and all. As an automation engineer for 6 months to 1 year, you need to showcase, and pretty much you can do the same thing. Many people do it. Okay. This is not new. Swati, is that clear?
Yes. So I need that
Okay.
confidence. Yeah.
100% it works. If you read the love.testingacademy.com, right? Maximum people do it. Okay.
Yeah.
So even when I have joined Wingify, right? I was a manual tester. Still, I have showcased that I was an automation tester. Okay. So I have also done it. Guilty. Okay. 100% possible. Okay. But you have to justify. No, you have to justify your API testing knowledge and Selenium. I hope you can justify, right? After this,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is
That,
important, right? Okay, good. What else? Let's take more questions. Shubham Pandey. Yes. Shubham Pandey.
Uh,
Yes, come on, please.
okay, suppose I have completed your 4 month course. After that, I can use so on experience 2 to 3 years.
See, the projects that we are doing for API as well as Selenium, easily you can showcase 4 to 5 years experience. The automation framework that we are running, right? Same automation framework for APIs or Selenium, right? It is running like 15,000, 10,000 test cases daily. So the complexity that it has, easily you can showcase 4 to 5 years as experience in automation. Shubham, is that answer your question? Understood?
Yes,
So the
I
moment
understand.
you pick any open source project and automate, right, you can easily showcase that this is what I have done. And
Yeah.
it depends on you mostly. Okay. How you want to
Okay.
showcase.
Okay. Actually, I
Clear?
have 2 years career gap. That's why I'm asking.
2 years is nothing, man. 2 years easily you can manage.
Okay. Can I get a
We have
job as
students.
a work from home job as a fresher?
Work from home job, it will be difficult, but we can try. We can try. There are companies like Wingify is there, Techion is there. No, not Techion now. BrowseTech is there who are hiring for work WFH. We'll discuss that. We'll discuss about the work from home jobs more on this. Okay.
Okay. Can I pay this on EMI?
EMI
Your
option I have just shown you, right? EMI option is there, guys. EMI option is there. If you select Razorpay, after that there is an EMI option. You can select an EMI option out there. Okay, based on the credit
okay.
cards. So
Okay.
after if you select use Razorpay, enter the code. There's an EMI option also available. Okay, that you can try out. Okay, so
Okay.
that's it.
Suppose if
We'll
I
take.
have no credit card, then how to I can apply? Google Pay.
How to
Google Pay
apply?
I can
It will
apply.
be difficult. Just do one thing. No, reach out to WhatsApp. We'll see if we can some do this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Is
Sure.
the
Sure.
time is fixed for the live classes? Yes, Swati. Time is fixed. Okay. Is that your question only? Okay.
Okay.
Who
Yeah.
else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Pawan. Go on, Pawan. Pawan, we have Shweta. We have after this. Shweta, yes. Your question afterwards. Pawan and Shweta. One by one. Pawan and Shweta, go on, please. Guys, don't feel shy if you have your question. Please keep raising your hands. I will be answering all the questions. Okay. Don't worry. I will answer all the questions. Okay. I will try to answer all the questions. Don't feel shy. Okay. Never feel shy. Okay. This is your life. You can change your life. Okay. When I was a manual tester, I also have taken the leap of faith. So I'm pretty much sure this is the trigger. If you think this is the roadmap that you can follow, and if you think Pramod sir can help us you to become an automation tester, go for it. This is what we are going to do. Okay. Pawan is saying I am unable to unmute. Okay, let me now try it. Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
Pawan. Go on. Yes.
Yes, sir. I am from civil engineering background, 2020 passed
Okay.
out.
Okay.
Once if I get enrolled, right? For the placement support also, will you provide there, right? As
Mostly we
as
generally
you.
provide job assistance we provide. The placement supports we don't provide. Okay, our focus is more on the language, more on the learning part. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
But we will help you in resume building, we will help you in LinkedIn, we will help you in HRs, we will help you in job referrals. We'll help you if there are other people who are working. If
Yes, sir.
HRs
Yeah.
basically come to me, I will share your resume also. These things we'll do. Okay.
Like as a fresher only can I apply, sir? Because not 2020 passed out, right? There is a gap
You
of
can.
around
You
4 years.
can. You should actually. You should. It will be easy for you. After 1 year, you can increase your knowledge and do that. Okay. It
Yeah.
will be
Okay.
easy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shweta, go on, please. Shweta, your question, please. Shweta, you are done or you're still remaining?
Hi, Pramod. I'm here to ask a question.
You go on, please.
Yeah, in the package we have API testing with Postman and then Java, but I don't
Right.
see JavaScript here in this package. How are we going to test with API?
JavaScript we don't need, no? Why do we need JavaScript?
Most of the companies they do use the JavaScript for Postman, right?
JavaScript for Postman, right? That is in
Yeah.
SDET masterclass, which is simple. I have covered in 2 hours of lecture. I have already covered in 2 hours of lecture JavaScript for testers, which is enough for the Postman. Which is enough for the Postman. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
We have written all the test cases: pm.test, pm.response.test, pm.response.json, whatever the test cases you see on the Postman. This one you can do if you understand this basic 2.5 hours of session. Clear?
Cool. Thank you.
No worries, no worries. Who else is there? Vipin Sharma, go on, please. Then we have Swapnil.
Yeah, actually, I got the answer from your support team. Actually, I have made payment, but I am not getting any confirmation over mail or somewhere.
You will get it. No worries. You have Azure.live WhatsApp. Nothing will happen. Okay.
Thank you.
And you have my YouTube channel also there, right? You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
comment there.
I'm already following you around 6 months before. Yeah.
Good,
So,
good, good.
yeah, I'm following.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good
Thank
to
you.
have you, man.
Yeah.
Mahi Singh, yes. Go on, Mahi. Guys. Go on. Yes, Swapnil, go on, please.
Yeah, hi. So this is Swapnil's wife Snehal. Actually, I have
Huh.
also attended your session today. So
Okay.
I have got an answer from the support team, but I'm just worried. Actually, my background is MSc BEd, and I'm currently into IT recruitment. So it would help
Okay.
to start as a
How
fresher.
much experience you have? How much experience you have?
Actually, I have like 10 years of experience.
Okay, okay, okay. 10 years. Okay. It will be difficult and you have to do double the efforts, Swapnil. Are you
Okay.
ready to do it? Are you ready to do it? Is it possible to do it? Double the efforts and take the leap of faith you need to take. Is it possible?
Yeah, that's fine actually, but it would not be like that difficult to get a job, right? So that's important because I'm ready to start it as a fresher also. I'm ready to take
My
efforts also, but
recommendation,
I'm
my
only,
recommendation will be you are already working, right? Yes.
yeah,
Okay. What will happen? What is the worst case will happen? You will move back to your same place,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
This will then then you have your
Okay.
answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Think about this. Okay.
Okay.
In life also, let me give you this funda. Okay. This is what I believe. Whenever I learn something, take course or whatever, right? What is the worst thing will happen? I will move back to same place, right? That's it. Take a
Yeah.
leap of faith. When I was a manual tester, right? I thought I have never coded in Java. Can I become an automation tester or not? Pramod, I was afraid. I had a coding fear and everything. Then I thought, okay, let's do one thing. Let me jump into it. Let me see. Okay. If it doesn't work, I am manual tester in the end, right? Yes or no? But it
Yeah.
worked.
Okay.
Same. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
No worries. We have more questions. Okay. Who is this? Jamal T. Go on. Amani and Abhishek Sharma. Go on, please. One by one. Akbar, you can reach out to WhatsApp. They will help you. The team will help you if you are there. Go on one by one, guys. Who was it?
Hi, Pramod.
Yes, yes. Go on, please. Go on.
Thank you for this class. I have
Thank
been
you.
following you from past few months, your
Good,
videos.
good, good.
And
That's a good sign.
I have a question like, how can we upload our
Hmm.
projects in GitHub? It's private, right? So how can we show that?
No, but GitHub is public. GitHub is public. We can upload our all these public, right? Yes or no? Can you see these links or not? I think if you go to github.com, Pramod Datta, this will be public for you, no? See, you can see all of
No,
my
no, no. If I work on Selenium in my in companies, I mean in
Ha,
project,
that
I'm
I'll tell
saying.
you. No, see, even if you see my projects, okay, you will not find company related data. That is
Okay.
not we are uploading. What we are
Mhm.
uploading is we are uploading, for example, this framework. It is a generic framework.
Okay.
Clear?
So
It
yeah,
is
I
generic.
cleared. And one more
Hmm.
thing, like uh, if I am, will I be able to create a framework from scratch? Because in
Scratch only we are
interviews,
creating.
yeah.
No, Scratch only we are creating side by side. If you want to see,
Mhm.
let me show you also. Okay, if I show you previous recording,
Yeah.
step by steps from scratch, and you have to upload also on your github.com. Okay.
Right, right.
This is what we are doing. See, pay attention. I will be checking also. Okay. So in the sdat.club, you will see, I will check also if you have uploaded into your repository or not. See,
Sure.
in the thread section, you will find it. Okay.
Oh. Yeah, I already have experience in Selenium and Java, but
Okay.
now I'm getting only manual testing work from past 2 years. So I wanted to. So whenever they ask us to, like, we have only manual projects. That how can we convey them like?
Manual testing projects, you can showcase which template you have used. What was your strategy? Create a diagrams you can showcase, right? For
Yeah.
example, if I have worked with Amazon.com, I will say I have worked on e-commerce project. When I was working with BrowserStack, I can show that I have worked in cloud testing platform. I will not name it properly. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that's how you manage it.
Okay.
Fair enough? Make
Yeah.
sense?
So we, yeah, sure, yeah. So we have a rest assured also covering in this.
Yes, Rest
This one.
Assured is API testing, API automation with Rest Assured. It's a core library to do API testing for API automation, right? That we are going to cover.
Okay.
And we will create our framework in the end. So this is the framework. If you want to see the framework also, it is available. API automation Rest Assured framework. This will look like this. Okay.
Okay.
This is the structure of this is the structure. This is the tech stack we are using. If you see Java, rest assured, Maven, TestNG, AzurJ, parameter payload, sonar lane, drillering, error report, all this.
Yeah.
And if you want to see the proper structure, everything, how you can run it via Jenkins, results and everything, this is the diagram. These things you can showcase in manual testing also, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes. Thank you, Pramod.
No worries.
Yeah. That's all from.
Okay. Mahi, your answer? Yes. How many of you are
Hello.
still remaining? Give me I in the chat. Give me I in the chat. We will take your question. Yes, Mahi, go on, please. Go on, Mahi, go on. I think you are unmuting yourself, right? Is it? Now talk again, please. I'm a C# developer. I wanted to become an automation. How does it work for me? Will it suit for my best? Same, Krunoshi. You will be following the 4-month plan. Kurun Nasari, a very difficult name to pronounce. Sorry for that. I will call you Karu. Karu only, okay? If you are a C# developer, it is possible. Just follow the 4-month plan. You can say that, okay, I have done automation, right? Learn Java and same program you can follow, okay? Is this clear, everyone? Now let's take a couple of questions from Abhishek is there, right? Abhishek. Yes, go on, Abhishek. Then we'll take Preeti.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, please go on.
Hello, Pramod sir.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for sharing information with us.
Thank you.
Just wanted to know, I have worked as a manual tester for 5 years, and I
Okay.
have had experience of working with the DevOps team also. So I have a basic knowledge of what automation
Makes
testers
sense.
do,
Makes sense.
but
Makes sense. Makes
not
sense. Hmm.
but I don't have a complete set of knowledge of the tools that one requires to be an automation tester. And secondly, I have got 2 years of gap. I left my job 2 years back. Now I want to get into it again. So uh, will
2
it
years
be
is
helpful?
nothing. I think you can showcase that I got laid off due to COVID or company was switch off, project was there, right? HRs understand
Okay.
this thing. 2 years is nothing. But I think it's a good that you already have some manual testing experience, right? I would request you if you can add 3+ year as an automation experience after doing this course. Create your repository, create everything, API automation thing, showcase that last 3 years you have done automation also, and your profile will be selected. This is what we think. Make sense? This will be our target. We will see if we are facing issue. We will see. We will also improvise, right? We will learn and improvise.
Sure.
Yes, Preeti Mishra, go on, please. Yes, Preeti Mishra, go on, please. Then after Preeti, we have who else?
Hi, from
Amani.
Preeti.
Yes, please go on.
So currently I'm working as a manual tester and I'm having 7 years of experience. So
Okay,
I have
okay.
worked as a in Selenium, like I have done the POC type of things in
Okay,
few of my
but
projects.
not fully,
But
okay.
yeah, but not fully. And I don't feel like I don't have the confidence of writing the scripts in the Java.
Okay.
So
Okay.
in what we can say, the confidence is lagging into the coding. And in fact, I
See,
have done.
confidence is lagging. I'll tell you very simple, because you have not completed one project or two project and uploaded them into a GitHub. The moment you do, you will feel confident. What is your next question? Tell me.
So I have done the course in Selenium Java, but
Okay.
still they said they
Why it
will
was not
provide
working?
100%
What do you think?
placement, 100% placement. But still, I don't think they have provided me the placement. So will this?
100% placement is myth, no?
Yeah. So will this platform will provide us 100% placement?
No, the answer is no. We don't provide 100% placement. We only believe that knowledge is important. Guys, just to let you know, last year we had amazing results where people have got the job in Accenture, BrowserStack, GigSky, and many people. We believe that we basically do live projects. We will make sure your resume is up to the mark. We will cover 4 months in everything, and we'll make you strong in automation, right? So placement, if you are coming that, okay, 100% placement, something, there is nothing called as 100% placement, right? But we will make sure that we will provide you job assistance, helping you in resume, mock interviews, job referrals, and everything. Those things generally we do. Okay, so if you
Okay,
want to
Pramod,
learn,
one more question.
learn from me.
One more
Go on.
question I have. Does EMI have no cost EMI or will it have the interest?
I think you
every
can check
month.
with Razor Pay. I think it is not no cost. It is some cost is involved. I am sure on this part. Okay, I'm not sure on this part. Okay, you can check it out, or you
Because if
can
no cost,
ping us on WhatsApp. Ping if
yeah,
you
I
want
have
this.
pinged up.
Right?
I haven't received any reply from
You will
the
receive. You will receive soon. They will help you in EMI option. Okay.
Yeah, because if no cost EMI would be there, that would be great for us.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. You can. You can. Yes, Amani, go on, please.
Thank you. Thank you.
Amani, go on, please. Thank you. Thank you. Amani, go on, please.
Hi, Pramod.
Yes.
This is Amani. So actually, I'm an agriculture graduate, currently working as a performance tester
Okay.
for the last couple of years. So my question is like, so I'm ready for this automation, and you have added this performance testing and security testing also, right?
See, performance is generally what we have is there are few students who wanted performance testing. I have done performance testing for 2 years. Okay.
Acha,
So
acha,
what I have
okay.
done is whatever the sessions I have taken sessions for JMeter. A
Mm-hmm.
couple of session is done by Deepak also. So Deepak is another who helped me in this sometimes some of the sessions
Mm-hmm.
in performance testing for JMeter and everything. So we are planning for upcoming courses in SDET.club related to performance and security. So automatically you will be a part of this. So if you join it today, right, automatically SDET.club lifetime access you have, right? So if anything new related to security testing or performance testing comes in, it will be in this list. You can watch it
Okay.
anytime.
Okay. Okay. And one
Fair
more
enough?
thing is like, so we'll be working on the live project, right? Like once we are done with the course.
All of them are live projects only. If you see this, the repository that we have created, no,
Okay.
GitHub projects and everything, those are nothing but live projects only. Let me show you a couple of, for example, we have this HR module, which you can automate web tables and everything, right? So there are many open source projects that we can take help from.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we get the access even after the 4 months for those projects
Yes, yes,
to work
these
on?
are open. These are you can easily access them. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your efforts, Pramod.
No worries, no worries. Thank you. Next we will take Kirtana. Kirthana, you have question? Kirthana, you have question? Yes. Vithal, you are next. Then we have Manas.
Hello, hi. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Go on, please.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm having a 7+ years experience in IT industry. In that, I have 5+ years as an automation tester. But while
Okay.
switching the job, I'm facing few difficulties. That is, I in my industry I did only web automation. I didn't get chance to do the API testing and DB
Got it.
testing. And yeah, Git I know it is not the issue. But the thing is, because of these two lacking of, I'm feeling difficult in getting a switch. Second problem that I'm facing is 90 days notice period with the industry. How can I handle that 90 days notice period?
See, 90-day is difficult, but there are strategies. There are strategies to handle it. Have you seen my video on YouTube channel? I have created a video especially for that. Okay, I would highly recommend you to watch it. But we will have this conversation again related to 90 days. There are a number of ways you can manage buyback and other things if it is suitable in your next company. Again, your question is API testing. That API testing is mandatory nowadays. You need to include API automation also. You need to include, and showcasing your project is that you need to include. So all this we are going to cover in next 4 months. This is our target, and I'm pretty much sure since you already know a couple of concepts, right? It will be a good revision for you. But some advanced concept like how to handle Shadow DOM, SVG elements, web tables, calendars, action items, right? All these Selenium important advanced concepts which we are also working on, right? Those things will be, I will help you to revise as well as implement in your automation framework.
Yeah,
Fair
one
enough?
more question. Is there any possibility to complete, yeah, in less than 4 months, 3 months like that? That's why.
You
Why? Because
can,
the
if you
placement
can,
is very, very
so
important.
because you can, if because you will be getting a recordings, right? You will be getting previous batch recording. So previous batch automation, fifth batch is already finished. You can take help from that. Content remains same. Okay. You can ask the
Okay.
questions on the SDET.club. If you want to accelerate, this is just for you. If you want to accelerate the process, that's it.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. That's all from me.
No worries. No worries. No worries. Okay. So this is link. Manas. Go on, Manas. Your question, please. Manas. After that, Manas, we have After Manas, we have Shanti Reddy. Your answer was done or not? Shanti Reddy. Manas, you're there or not? No. Okay. Vithal, you are done. Shanti Reddy. Let me. Shanti Reddy, you can try.
Yes,
Beja.
Pramod, I have received your answer and I will be just implementing.
Good,
Yeah.
good, good. Awesome.
Thank you.
Beja, your question, please. Preeti Mishra, then we'll take yours, okay? Afterwards. Malika, yes, I will take your question also, okay? Every question will be answered, don't worry. This is how my DAO sections are, okay? Preeti Mishra, go on, please. Preeti Mishra.
I am done, Pramod.
Okay,
I
good,
am
good,
done.
good. Malika,
Thank
you
you.
have question?
Yeah, hi Pramod. This is a great session actually.
Good.
So I have a 3 years experience in manual testing. So, but I have a career gap of 2 years. So, can I showcase? I mean, after this course, can I showcase my like manual testing into automation experience?
Easily you can showcase. But justify with your experience, which means what do you mean by this is learn the concepts, upload your projects to GitHub, right? And be ready with your interview questions and mock interviews.
Okay.
Possible. 100% possible.
Okay. Thank you. That's all.
Yes, Beja. Go on, please, Beja.
Hi, Pramod.
Yes.
I'm from science background. Right now I'm working as a QA analyst, but which is different from like IT. It is a non-IT, which belongs to medical coding, but that comes under like QA and testing only. So can I showcase this experience for automation testing?
Possible. It is possible, but you have to do it very smartly. Okay. So I will not vouch it, but I have seen few of my students who are working as a QA analyst, game testers, and other profiles who are able to switch. Okay. So just to let you know, it is possible. You have to justify again, learn everything with a great, upload your GitHub repository and everything. Showcase that you are a web automation tester or API automation tester. Showcase in such a way.
Okay, thank you.
That is how we need to do it. This will be our strategy. Let's see it works or not. But it works. I have seen it work with previous students. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Manoja, your next question, please. Then Maharaja, your question afterwards. Okay. Is your real name is Maharaja?
Hello.
Yes, Manoja.
Hi, sir. Actually, I was 2013 passed out. After that, I worked for a BPO. And now, present, I was a housewife and from Vizag. And I can't move from Vizag. After joining this course, is it, if I couldn't get a job here, what will it be like? Is there any possibilities in Vizag? I can't move out from here.
Oh, Vizag, it will be difficult. Can you move to Bengaluru or somewhere, Chennai or somewhere?
No,
No?
no chance.
Remote we can
Only,
try, Manoja, but again, it will be difficult.
yes,
But
but
I would
chances
say,
are less for work from home also, right?
but there are companies who are hiring. Wingify is hiring, BrowseTech is hiring. These companies hire for it. But again, you have to prepare them very well, and you have to give like double the efforts. Are you ready for that?
I was ready to keep all my efforts instead of staying like this in home. I'm ready to put all my efforts. But my only question is,
Then,
I
Manoja,
is from
my
Vizag and
recommendation,
yes,
if you want to hear the answer, real answer, go for it, try it. If nothing works, move back to same. Okay, give it a try. But I think there are work from home jobs. There are good product based companies who are still hiring. Probably you will get some opportunity. Okay, clear?
okay, thank you.
No worries, no worries. Okay. But who else is there? After that, Malika, I think I have your Pranita. 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 Yes, Pranita. Go on. Guys, raise your hands if you have questions still. Give me I in the chat if you have question. We'll take your questions, okay? Ritesh has it till. Okay. Yes, Ritesh, go on. Okay.
Yeah, hi sir.
Pritesh here. So in this course, actually, I got to know that you'll be going through the roadmap as well. So is it the Java with Selenium and the API things is also included, or just you just show that you'll also teach us the Playwright with Java as well. So is
This
it
is
completely
core Java. This is Java plus API testing with Postman, API testing with Rest Assured, Selenium with Java, CI/CD things. Playwright with Java, which is extra content, which is coming in mid-May. Okay, just to let you know, mid-May it is coming. You all of you will have access to it automatically. Okay.
Okay, so we have to go with basics, right? So first is the basics is
Core
what?
of Java, API testing, Selenium, then Playwright. Layer.
Okay.
This is what. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
and
Ashit.
finally, like with all these 4 months concepts, can we get an access to like make sure we are trying to go with the experience ones, because just want to make sure that okay, we are trying with the experience profession as a professional with an experience of Selenium and Java. So can we try it out? Like, can we get an assistance from your side as well?
Assistance I can give you. We will have conversation also, but I would request you. So we will have conversation, private conversation on this. I can guide you and all this. Okay, this is what I can do, but I would still recommend. I mean, if you think with knowledge you can get a job, right? Then
Yeah.
go for it. This is very important. Okay?
So to go with the fresher is what you're saying? Or,
Right. That's what it is. Okay.
Okay. So
Yes,
thanks.
Ashit, go on, please. Thank you, Ritesh. Yes, Ashit, go on, please. Maharaja, what happened to you? Why you are not able to speak? Okay, now try it.
Hello.
Yes, go on, please. Now.
Yeah, hi, Pramod.
Yes.
Yeah, is this course covers Cucumber framework also, Pramod?
Yes, Cucumber BDD with Rest Assured, Cucumber BDD with Selenium, both of them.
Okay,
one minor project we do. Yes.
Okay, I have one more question. Like, can I pay in the course tomorrow? Will the coupon code will be exist tomorrow also?
I think you will lose the previous batch and Playwright might be, but again, possible to do it. No, try with, and if possible, ping the team. Keep the team in the loop if possible. Okay, but I think those two bonuses will be gone. Okay.
Okay, the previous batch recording.
Yes.
Okay.
So those things. Okay.
Okay.
Kirtana.
Okay.
Yes. So last
Thank you.
question we are taking Kirtana. Yes, go on, Kirtana. Guys, anyone who is remaining? Okay, there are a couple of people. Give me I in the chat
Yeah, the
quickly.
same question I have. I also have the same question previous person asked.
Okay, I hope you have answer also like that.
Yeah, just one more question.
Go on. Bring it on.
If we pay tomorrow, will I have the ST club access?
SDT club access you will have.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Dattatreya Das. Yes, please go on. Then we have Divakar. Dattatreya Das, why you are not able to speak? Okay, Divakar, you can go on, please. Meanwhile.
Pramod, we have already discussed that I am from commerce background. So you said
Okay,
that
got
I
it.
need to.
Got it. I think we have discussed, right? Yes. We'll
When
discuss
will
on
we
WhatsApp.
connect actually? Okay.
We'll discuss. Okay, we'll pick after this session. Probably I'll reply you. Okay, just keep a note.
Okay.
Probably morning also I will reply you. Okay, just see that. Okay.
Sure, Pramod.
Mayur, go on, please. Mayur is there. Mayur, go on, please. Mayur D.
Sir, good evening.
Good
Can you
evening.
hear
Good
me?
evening. Yes, go on, please.
Pramod sir, I'm working with an IT company into EDI department. Basically, it's a product-based company, and I got
Okay.
10 plus years of experience. Basically, I'm from a commerce background, so wanted to know, is there an opportunity if I enroll for this course, any kind of internal job posting?
How much
Because we have a
experience you
different
have?
department in our company.
How much experience you have total?
Total goes to around 10 plus into EDI healthcare.
Internal job posting, you can give it a try. If just talk to your manager also, no? if I do a particular course or something, right?
Actually, the
3%
thing
like
is like automation manager is my friend, so I cannot just talk to him directly. It's
no,
awkward.
just tell them I have a knowledge of automation now. Is it possible? I have seen people doing it, by the way. Okay, there are people
Because the thing
from
is like
support role who are able to switch, right?
because I've done a lot of manual testing on company because it's a product-based company. Initially, it was small company when I joined. Now it has become a big company.
Give it a try,
like
na.
500
Give it a
employees.
try. I am sure it can be done. Okay, give it a try. There are
Or
good chances it is possible.
is there any kind of like freelance opportunity into automation testing?
Very rare, very low right now. I would suggest very low, to be honest. Okay.
Okay.
Directly
Can I
internal
connect
job posting is simple. Okay, I'll tell you, it is super simple. If your manager is your good friend, right? Just tell them. I have seen people from tech support role, normal support role, with some XYZ branches getting into the automation role by using IJB, which is the internal job posting. Okay, so it's a golden opportunity. Try it. Okay.
Okay. Sir, can I connect you on WhatsApp? Say
Yes, yes, you
tomorrow.
can. Yes, you
Okay.
can. Ashit,
Okay.
yes, go
Thank
on,
you,
please.
sir.
Ashit.
Yeah.
Ashit, go on, please. You guys, you can connect me on WhatsApp on this, okay, if you want to. And this is the link to join. Last question, Mayur, you are done, right? I think Mayur, you are done. Das, okay, Das. Now try it. Aritra Das, you have any question? No?
Hello.
Yes, go on, please.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are.
I just want to let you know that can you please share some work from home or any kind of product based company that they are hiring, and
I will share. I will share you the link. Okay, after this email, after this, you will receive a couple of emails.
I have 2 years of experience in manual testing. Since I have got the fear in coding, so I got the points as you have discussed earlier. All the participants. So I'm looking forward to it.
Good, good. I will share you the links. Okay, Dattatreya, right? Is it Dattatreya Das?
Yeah, it's
Dattatreya, right? Yes, Dattatreya was the guru, right? Yes, I remember that. Okay, good. All right. Who else is remaining? Ashit, you are last. Okay, you are done, Ashit, or not? Okay, Jose is remaining. Okay. Yes, please go on. Oh, what is your good name? It's Jose, or what is this? Tabassum is also remaining. Okay, Tabassum, you are next also. Okay. Any one of you can unmute and Hussein. Okay. Is it Hussein? Okay, good, good. I'll call you Hussein then.
Hello.
Go on, please.
Am I audible now?
Yes. Yes, you are.
Yeah. So I'm an manual tester with 4 to 5 years of experience. Currently working in a product-based company. But if I got your course and will do the course and will upgrade myself, and if I go with the automation tester with some experience as a automation testing as well.
Right.
So
Two,
with
two,
the
3 years
resume.
you can showcase. 2-3 years easily you can
Yeah.
showcase.
Yes. Okay. So, what will be the role? Currently, I'm having 4 to 5 years of experience. So, what will be the exact role for next company, and
Next
what
company, there can be
I will be?
two options.
Okay.
Two options you will have.
Okay.
First option you will be working as an individual contributor, create the test scripts for the project, or maybe they will give you some senior QA role or senior automation role, or probably they will give you QA read role. So there are 3 opportunities you can have side by side. Okay.
So, will it be difficult for me? Yeah, because I am only have a manual
Not
testing
much.
experience.
Not much. If you have a knowledge, right, you can do it. Not too much, but you can manage easily. Okay, but try with individual contributor first. You will learn a lot. After that, you can learn go to the automation lead. That you can do that. Okay.
And what will be the workload? Exact workload? Like as a manual, I
Workload
have to
for
work
automation
around it.
tester, I think, see, it is not that too difficult. Okay, I have seen DevOps people crying, but automation tester, normal. I would suggest normal. Normal workload is there. Normal. Even every company, I have seen most of the automations, good product-based companies, right? Decent, not that too much. Okay.
Okay. And last one, what will be the expectations? So, like salary expectations if I switch in an automation?
Okay, that depends upon your current also.
Okay.
Because HR will definitely exploit you, right? Because you have a lower package. I am pretty much sure as a manual tester, right? Yes.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Give me a guess. Any range that you have possible to share?
Up to 10.
Up to 10, right? So 5 years. Your expectation should be okay. They should give me around 18 plus or something. 18 plus to something like that. This should be your. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Tabusam.
Got it. Thank you so much.
No worries, no worries. I'll see you, huh? Bye bye.
Hi, Pramod.
Yes, go on, Gautam.
Pramod, is there any option for Python with Selenium?
Python batch is still running. Okay, if you want to join the running batch, that is, if you want to join, I can share the link. But new batch probably May something it will come. Okay.
Okay, so
Not
because
May, probably it will be June, I think so. Okay.
it,
will be
it is.
taking. It will be late, little late. Okay, to
I
be honest.
actually joined this call a little late, so this is completely Java with Selenium, right?
It is completely with Java with Selenium, I think. And to be honest, if you learn this right, Python will be very easy for you. But again, you can enjoy the both of the openings, right? If there is an opening with Java, you can enjoy. There is an opening with Java, you can enjoy. Your choice. Many people do it, just to let you know.
So
There are
for now,
people who are enrolled in the courses.
enroll in this, I can get an opportunity to learn with Python as well.
You can upgrade. There is an option for that. I think team will discuss with you. There is a very minor fees that you need to do to upgrade into Python also. That you can do. Okay.
Okay, Pramod.
Okay, so this is the link if you are interested. Okay. Awesome, guys. I hope everyone is done. Thank you, guys. So thank you. If you want to important testimonials, of course, you can find. These are the links. You can take a screenshot. SD.live become WhatsApp discount special promote. What if you can get all these things into the manual testing plus API plus web automation, all of them. Very, very important. We are starting from 2nd of April. Make sure before 12 you join so that you get a bonuses, extra bonuses and lifetime access to SD.club. All right. I'll see you in the class. Okay. Rakshan, you have question? Okay. Last question. Rakshan is saying, so we will take the question. Okay. Your question and my answers. Yeah, go on. Rakshan.
Yeah. Hi, Pramod. So I hope I'm audible.
Yes, go on.
First of all, thank you so much for conducting this guidance class. It's helped me a lot. And the question which I have is now for the last 2 years, I worked as a manual plus automation tester for a product-based company. So they're using Playwright with the JavaScript, but recently due to layoff, they kicked me out. That's a very the story. But, as of now, I'm looking for a new job, but I can see a market trend where Selenium with Java is like kind of in the
It is still running. It is still running. Yes.
Yeah. So if I go through this course and if I play with around my 2 years of experience, somehow if I convert into Selenium with Java, so
you can convert.
Yeah. So how much package I can expect going here
2
after?
years.
Yeah.
2 years, good product-based company. If you target, what is your current citizen?
6 LPA.
6?
Yeah.
Around 6 or 7,
Yep,
you
yep.
said?
Around 6.
Okay, 2 years, I am pretty much sure around 9, 10 easily you can target. After that, target for 9, 10 easily. Okay, good product-based company. I remember that you can do it. Okay, we'll discuss more, Rakshan. We'll discuss more. I'll tell you how to find salaries also. Okay, by the way.
Okay, thank you so much for that.
All right, I'll see you in the live classes also. Okay, bye-bye.
Sure. Bye.
Enjoy. Thank you, guys. Enjoy. I hope session was helpful. Right, please join before if possible. This is the link. Right, Ritesh, you can ask question on WhatsApp. I will be available. Please display, sir. So this is the link. You can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, I will be replying. Thanks a lot. Sayonara. Enjoy. I hope session was helpful. I'll see you in the live classes. All the people who have joined, thanks a lot for joining. Congratulations. You will receive the email. And 2nd of April, we are starting the live class. You will receive email, WhatsApp invite of community, sd.club. All the accesses, you will get it. after, if you get a appointment confirmation, you can be in chill mode. You can get confirmation and all the things will be given. Okay. Thank you. Enjoy. All the bonuses one by one will be given to you. sdet.live/WhatsApp. Any issues? Thank you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.